Okay. Okay, so agenda for today is first we'll look over at a few questions of correlated subqueries. We'll understand the difference between uncorrelated and correlated subqueries. Then we'll look at what is then we'll look at a few joint questions, the solutions of those that we had done in the that we had given as homework in the previous class. After that, we'll begin with window functions. And in window functions, we look at what is CTE. CTE is a very small concept. I think a lot of you might have heard about CTE, right? Common table expressions. Have you heard about it?
No, भैया. No,
At
भैया.
least the name CTE.
No, भैया.
Okay. So it looks quite dangerous. A lot of people think it's a very difficult topic, something very weird, something very out of the world for SQL, but it's a very simple topic. It's just a syntax of how you can include multiple queries in one particular query, kind of like a different mechanism of subquery. After that, we look at the order of processing and final order of processing SQL statements and the final order for execution on the basically how do you write the SQL syntax. Clear?
Yes, भैया. Clear. Yes, भैया.
And that will be end of SQL. One more class we'll have probably tomorrow or maybe
Yes, भैया.
Monday, and we'll solve questions in those. Okay, so 20-25 questions we'll solve in that particular class. Cool.
Okay, भैया. Cool.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. So
Okay, भैया.
now let me just open for SQL Zoo. So for people who did not attend day before yesterday's class, there were 3-4 questions that we had left from select within select from SQL Zoo because they were kind of a part of correlated subqueries. However, there was a different way also you can solve those questions with. I'll be asking you that once we are done with subqueries, the correlated subquery. Clear?
Yes,
All
sir.
right.
Yes, भैया. Yes.
Okay. 1 second. Just let me mirror with the iPad. So a quick recap of subqueries is important so that we can understand what do we mean by correlated subqueries, right? So that day we learned how we can use a subquery, right? We understood that there is an outer query, and this outer query is called as main query, right? And then there is an inner query, and that inner query is called as subquery,
Subquery.
right? So that is called a subquery. Then we understood that how we can use subquery. So one was in from, right? And in from subquery could return what? You can include a subquery over
Table.
here and it will return a table,
Table.
right? Then we can use in, right? In what can we get? We can get one column, right?
Column.
Then we discussed how we can use it with basically our operators, right? And also with multiplication, division, all and addition and subtraction, and that will have a single value. Yes.
Single value. Yes, भैया.
And you can use it wherever. You can use these operators. You can use it in where, you can use it in having. If the operators are present in select, then you can use it in select, right?
Yes, भैया.
So one more point from there only. So we can also use it with join, right? So why with join? Join also expects a table. So if you return a table, you can also use it with a join. Clear?
Yes, sir. Got it, भैया.
Cool. So let's say what do I mean by join? Basically, let's say you want to join something. So select star, whatever columns you want to select, columns from table 1. Now you do not want to join on the entire table 2. So what you can do is join and then write a subquery that returns a table, right? As T2, as T2 will come out as T2, and then you can say on T1 equal to T1 dot key equal to T2 dot key. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, Bhaiya, clear.
We didn't come across this that day, but suddenly it came my mind that this was missing, so I just pointed out over here. All right, so everybody understand that. What do you think? How many times would a subquery run? Can you tell me?
Sir, the number of times the outer
One.
query calls it.
One? Only once for main query? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Okay. Now this is important. You will soon understand why. All right. So let's start by understanding through a basic example first. So, mm, so let's say there is a table called as first column is name. So name of students. This column is, let's say, okay, instead of students, let's take it as maybe employees. Right. So name of employee, salary of employee, and then department. Can you write a subquery? First question. Can you write a subquery saying that give me those names whose average salary is greater than whose salary is greater than the average salary of all employees. Can you quickly write a subquery for this? Pretty simple. You can also say it out loud.
Yes. Select name from
The table
table.
name is employee.
Just take it as anything, doesn't matter. I'll understand. Select name from
Table where
table
salary greater than
Where
where
salary is
where
salary greater than
salary greater than
bracket. Select
bracket. Select
average salary. Average salary
Average of salary from table.
from table.
cool.
Yes,
That's now a next question on top of this. Give me those names whose salary is greater than the average salary for their department. Now, there are multiple ways you can actually do this from. You can do this maybe with a join. Uh, you can do this maybe with a CTE that you will understand soon, CTE and window function. But how can you create a query is important to understand. Can you think of ways how you can create a query for this particular question? A subquery.
So yes, we are.
Tell me.
We could group by the department and then we could document the average salary there, and then we could create using where, compare using where.
Okay, so one way Vedant is saying is that let's say where, and you do over here select average salary group by from whatever from table group
Department.
by
Yeah.
our department. So I don't know if you have solved select and select and have seen their solutions. This is what they are doing for a lot of correlated subquery questions. And why they can do this, they'll say where in. While they say where in is because they assume that the values will be different. But over here, what can happen is Vedant, what other thing can happen? And first of all, how can you even use a this operator with a column structure? You will get a column over here, right?
हाँ भैया, problem नहीं है.
That is not possible. How, where they are going wrong, I'll tell you when it comes for the time for question. Any other thing that you can do, anyone?
इतना ही मुझे
Hmm?
यही याद आ रहा था बाकी दूसरा कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा।
Nee, instead of
So this
where
is wrong.
we have to use having. Yes.
So what you will say? So
Since
how
we are
can you do it, Vedant? Let's say you have gotten, you'll say select, then what?
select name from table
Name from table.
where salary is greater than, let us say, oh no, but again there, yeah, that is the
You
problem.
cannot
Yeah,
use an aggregate function in here, right?
right. Yes.
No problem. So definitely only using where having group by, we are not able to solve it. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes sir. Yes sir. हाँ भैया।
One way we could solve it, very simple. Let's call this a subquery. The subquery will be select department, comma, average salary from what you will say from table 1. Clear? And then group by department. You can say
Yes
this.
भैया। हाँ।
Now just treat this as one query.
Yes.
I can say select name from table 1, and let's call this column something, average salary as avg underscore salary. Clear? So select name from table 1, then you will say join, then you will use this subquery. Clear? As table 2 on table 1 dot department equal to table 2 dot department, where salary is greater than average salary. This is coming from table 2. This is coming from table 1. One way we can do this.
हाँ भैया।
Yes, भैया.
Right? But let's go a bit advanced, and let's say we do not want to perform a join operation. Then how can we do it? So in this case, you need to understand the concept of uncorrelated subqueries. Sorry, correlated subqueries. What we already know is, I hope you guys are able to understand, right? Correlated subqueries. So what you guys already know are the uncorrelated subqueries. Now, what do I mean by correlated and uncorrelated? So correlated means inside the subquery, there are no nodes for this. Inside the subquery, you have a relation with the main query. Clear?
Yes sir.
Clear, everyone? So now how do we establish this relation? We'll come to it. And why you can see this is an uncorrelated subquery? Because you can see in this particular subquery, there is no relation with our main query. Is it? No relation, right?
Yes sir.
This query is independent
Yes.
of the outer subquery. Now, very interesting fact is that the correlated subqueries run for each row in main query. And that means if there are n rows, then correlated subquery will run n times. Interesting? Unlike the uncorrelated subquery that runs one time no matter how many rows.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, how do we establish this relation? It's pretty simple. Generally, you establish this relation, and in most of the cases, by filtering in subquery using pair. Clear?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Clear, everyone? Now let's look at how we can do this for our particular question to get a hold of the syntax. So you will say select name from table 1. Then you will say, let's name this table as T1. Then you will say from हमने लिख दिया है where salary greater than some subquery that we will write now. So now you understand that if T1 dot department will be what? It's nothing but the department column. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, Bhaiya.
For each row, it will give me the department for that person. Yes or no?
Yes, भैया. हाँ भैया.
So I want that the subquery also gives me the average salary for only this department. Let's say if currently we are on name A, department, let's say IT, then we want the subquery to return average salary for only this department. Yes or no?
हाँ भैया. Yes, भैया.
Yes or no?
Yes.
If we are on
Yes,
B with name B and department is, let's say, HR, then we want the subquery to return only the salary for HR. Yes.
Yes,
Yes, भैया.
Yes, Bhaiya.
We'll put something in between.
Yes, भैया.
For now, let's say select some columns from table 1 as T2. Now saying simply where T1 dot department equal to T2 dot department. Am I already filtering on department? Because this subquery is correlated. It is correlated. You can see?
हाँ भैया.
Yes or no, everyone?
Yes, भैया.
Is it correlated? Yes or no?
Yes, भैया. Yes, भैया.
Now, because it is correlated, it will run once for every row. Clear?
Yes, भैया.
So what I will be getting now is an average salary for each row. For IT this time I will get an average salary for HR, and so on I'll get for other columns as well. Yes or no?
हाँ भैया.
Simply just write average salary over here.
भैया फिर ग्रुप बाय करना पड़ेगा.
Why? Why do you need a group by? In your subquery, now not talking about the outer query, only talking about the subquery, your subquery is already filtered for the rows department. So for first one, it will be all ITs. For second one, all the rows will be only for HR. Remember, guys, where executes first. After that, select gets executed. Yes or no?
Yes, भैया.
Yes, भैया. समझ. Yes, sir. Yes.
So if you're already written where, you're already getting filtered rows, then just do an average salary.
हाँ भैया.
Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, भैया.
Yes, भैया.
Any doubts?
No, भैया.
Vedant,
भैया.
Rajgopal, Ajay, Isha, Rishabh, any doubts?
नहीं भैया.
So we just
Anand?
created a pseudo column.
Pseudo column, kind of. Now, in how internally it works, you don't have to worry about that, right? But basically, what is happening is at the time of execution, this query will run every time. Whenever the data is being processed for the where, every time for each row, this will be executed and comparison will be made. Clear? So whenever, let's say,
Yes.
this row is being executed, T1 dot department will take value IT. So this will already filter for IT. Clear?
Got it, bhai.
When the next data is being processed, that is HR, T1 dot department will take HR, and this one will process for HR. Clear, everyone?
भैया दोनों में
हाँ
टेबल
भैया,
वन होगा
clear.
क्या? दोनों जगह टेबल वन होगा क्या?
सॉरी,
दोनों जगह टेबल वन होगा क्या? टेबल वन
नहीं, T1 और ये T2 है ना, so T2
नहीं, उसके पहले एस के पहले टेबल वन टेबल
पे
भैया फ्रॉम के बाद जो टेबल 1 लिखे हैं ना,
हाँ, तो टेबल 1 से तो लोगे, और कहाँ से लोगे? और कहाँ से सैलरी आ रही है? और कहाँ से बताओ?
अच्छा हाँ ठीक है भैया.
क्लैरिटी मिल गई गाइस?
टू वाला तो हमने एवरेज सैलरी
बोलो, क्या कह रहे हो वेदांत? आवाज नहीं आ रही? आवाज आ रही है उसकी, है मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही?
मैं
आपकी
हेलो
आ रही है भैया बस.
हाँ बता वेदांत।
मेरी आ रही है अभी?
हाँ
हाँ,
बता।
बस मैं कह रहा था कि ये जो T2 वाला टेबल है, हमने स्पेसिफिकली पर डिपार्टमेंट एवरेज सैलरी निकालने के लिए किया हुआ.
T2 वाला जो टेबल है, हमने वही करा है। हमने बेसिकली पर डिपार्ट, यस, मतलब इन शॉर्ट वही बात है कि यहाँ पे हमारी पर डिपार्टमेंट एवरेज सैलरी आ रही है। But the catch over here is, guys, that you cannot have per department average salary in any other format, right? You cannot have a column, you cannot have a table, you only have a scalar value, right?
हाँ भैया.
You're finding a way that for each row, how do I get a different scalar value over here, depending on department? Clear now, Vedant? Clear?
Yes भैया.
यस भैया.
Any doubts, anyone? Rajgopal, any doubts? Manas? Any doubts, Rajgopal?
भैया मतलब हम लोग जो ग्रुप बाय करके हम लोग जो डिपार्टमेंट निकालते हैं, उसकी जगह हम लोग डायरेक्ट ईच रो में हम लोग करके वो डिपार्टमेंट वाइज करके हम लोग एवरेज सैलरी दे रहा है
एक
डायरेक्ट.
बात बता, तू ग्रुप बाय क्यों कर रहा है? तेरे को एक वैल्यू चाहिए, ग्रुप बाय क्या देगा तेरे को?
वो डिपार्टमेंट वाइज ग्रुप बाय करेगा, वैल्यूज देगा.
टेबल देगा ना, या कॉलम देगा ना? तो क्या
हाँ.
पहली बात, तू ये इस ऑपरेटर को कॉलम से कंपेयर कर सकता है? वैल्यू
नहीं.
वैल्यू वर्सेस कॉलम नहीं कर सकता ना, तो तेरे को स्केलर वैल्यू ही चाहिए।
हाँ भैया.
तो स्केलर वैल्यू कैसे बनाएगा? ज्वाइन करने के टाइम पे तूने एवरेज सैलरी ले ली थी, स्केलर है वो तो, है ना? एक कॉलम के लिए एक वैल्यू, एक रो के लिए एक वैल्यू है, पर यहाँ तो तू पूरी एक कांस्टेंट टेबल दे रहा है ना सबके लिए। कौन कॉल कर रहा है?
हाँ भैया समझ
लो,
गया.
हाँ आदित्य, मैं क्लास ले रहा हूँ, बताओ। हाँ हाँ हाँ, समझ गए बात मेरी?
हाँ
बिल्कुल।
भैया.
ग्रुप बाय तो तुम कर ही नहीं सकते ना, आई पॉइंट समझ?
हाँ भैया आ गई.
और ग्रुप बाय करके तुम यहाँ पे कांस्टेंट डेटा नहीं डाल सकते ना। इफ यू वर यूजिंग correlated uncorrelated subquery, the normal subquery, then the group by either you show all the columns कि HR का ये है, सैलरी IT का ये है, अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट का ये है, otherwise you only show for one department only. These two cases are possible, right? But here
हाँ भैया.
this department needs to change every time according to the row, yes or no? For this row the
Yes
department
भैया.
needs to be the average salary for IT. For this row the department needs to be average salary for HR, yes or no?
हाँ भैया.
So you cannot establish that with a normal subquery, with the uncorrelated subquery. Only with the correlated subquery you can establish it, because it returns a new value. Or it might be, if let's say you were not wanting a value, you might get a table, you might get a column, anything you can get. I'll show you next step. But
भैया
1 second, you might get those values, but these values will refresh every time for each row. Yes or no?
Yes भैया.
IT you will get new value. For HR you will get new value. Yes, tell me what the doubt was.
भैया यहाँ पे ग्रुप बाय करने की तो जरूरत नहीं है वैसे, लेकिन हम करेंगे भी तो भी
क्यों
मुझे लग रहा
करेंगे
है
भी
कि
तब भी
इश्यू नहीं
गलत
आएगा.
आएगा। अब मैं ये बताता हूँ क्यों होता है। ये मेरा भी एक बहुत बड़ा कंफ्यूजन था जब मैंने अनकोरेलेटेड सब क्वेरी के अपने नोट्स उठाए कि अगर मैं यहाँ ग्रुप बाय करूंगा तो क्या प्रॉब्लम होगी। लेट्स से आई इवन राइट ग्रुप बाय, I'll change the color of a pen. Group by department.
Yes भैया.
Then what will happen is, after filtering for IT, I can group by. I will only get filtered with IT only. Yes or no?
हाँ भैया.
Yes or no? I will only get one group that is IT. And then I can get
Yes,
average salary. Not an issue. Completely not an issue. But let me come to this. Why group by won't work. Okay.
ठीक है.
All right, guys. Is this clear, everyone?
Yes भैया.
हाँ भैया.
Yes भैया.
Yes भैया.
Are we sure on this?
हाँ भैया.
Yes भैया.
Any doubts?
No भैया.
नो डाउट.
No भैया.
Okay.
भैया
Yes.
पर ग्रुप बाय करने से तो सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स की एवरेज सैलरी मिल जाएगी ना.
प्रोसेसिंग ही भूल जाते हो यार. Guys, what I told you that day, that after where we write goodbye and having, yes or no? Yes or no?
अच्छा
हाँ
आफ्टर.
भैया.
And
Okay,
the order
after
does not
where?
matter. Even if that does not matter, that was just how you can learn it. This order will not stay in tune when it comes to window functions. The point over here is that I told you that day that first you select the data from. After that, your where works, and you filter out the data, and you have only filtered data. Then on this filter data, you create groups. Yes or no, Isha?
Yes.
यस भैया. अच्छा
And on these
भैया
groups,
मेरे
the
को.
having gets executed.
ओके ओके, मेरे को लगा सिर्फ ग्रुप बाय कर रहे हो आप, वेयर नहीं कर रहे हो. ठीक है.
वेयर तो कर रहे हैं ना, तभी तो डिपार्टमेंट के सही पे पहुंचेंगे। अगर मैं वेयर नहीं करूंगा तो उसको डिपार्टमेंट कैसे पता चलेगा कौन सा डिपार्टमेंट है। वेयर नहीं करूंगा तो वो ये
हाँ,
रिटर्न
वही कंफ्यूजन हुआ.
मल्टीपल
वही कंफ्यूजन हुआ था,
डिपार्टमेंट।
कॉलम आ जाएगा.
दिमाग चलाओ
आगे बढ़ो.
गाइस।
समझ गया भैया.
समझ गए ना प्रॉब्लम सब लोग?
यस भैया.
क्यों क्यों ये ग्रुप बाय करने, ये वेयर और ग्रुप बाय का कॉन्सेप्ट समझ गए ना? क्लियर है ना?
हाँ भैया.
अभी ये डायग्राम भी
Yes,
बना
भैया.
दिया इतना सोना सा मैंने, और कैसे समझाऊं बताओ?
बहुत अच्छा डायग्राम है भैया.
आर्टिस्ट आज मैं ही बन जाऊंगा सारा। अच्छा, नेक्स्ट पे चलते हैं। चलो नाउ एनीवेज, सो गाइस you can also use a group by, no problem. When you want a column, when you want a table, feel free to use a group by in subquery. Star from where whatever table, where whatever condition, your correlated condition, group by whatever. You can do this whenever you want a column or table, not an issue. Am I clear?
Yes भैया. Clear.
Am I clear?
यस भैया.
Yes, भैया.
But we cannot do this in uncorrelated
Values.
subqueries. I'll tell you why. With these operators, what is the value expected, guys?
A single value.
A single value.
सिंगल वैल्यू.
And a single value you can only get by using average, min, max,
Count.
or maybe
Aggregate function.
Aggregate functions basically.
aggregate.
All the aggregate function.
But as soon as you put a group by with this aggregate function, SQL thinks that this uncorrelated subquery is returning a column slash a table.
Table.
Oh,
That is the problem. Therefore, with these operators that I just wrote above, or maybe around, or maybe anything, you can only use an aggregate function without group by.
डाउट क्लियर हो गया भैया.
Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir. What is
Yes, भैया.
Yes, भैया.
But within, with join, with your what all from, you might use everything. Basically, you can use a group by, or you can return a column, you can return a table. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, भैया.
Yes, भैया.
Am I clear, everyone?
Yes, भैया.
Yes, भैया.
Are we sure?
हाँ भैया.
Then can you everybody solve those 7, 8, 9, 10 questions from select with select? Generally, you will not see. Okay, with all also you can use a group by, right? Basically, you can return a column. All says all of them should be true. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I'll return a true, something like that, right? Any says any one of them should be true.
हाँ भैया.
All right, quickly solve, guys. Guys, only 5 minutes, okay?
Yes, भैया.
And you can actually solve all these questions with join as well, right? Most of these. Okay, one thing, lexicographically is like alphabetically, so you can use a minimum of name and you will get the first alphabet, first, like basically the smallest name, or basically the name that will first come first. Okay.
यस भैया।
So Vedant, in these questions, if you look at the solutions of SQL Zoo, right, what they have done is, okay, पहले solve कर लो फिर बताता हूँ.
तो पैरामीटर चेंज करके दिया है ना.
So basically, they are doing an in and they are taking areas, assuming that the largest area for each continent kind of basically that no other country. I'll explain you. Don't worry. कर लो पहले solve. Alright, guys, 3 more minutes. A lot of students are thinking that they already know a lot of SQL. They're not attending the classes. I had someone text me this today. And do you think they might know all of this?
नहीं भैया, ये आपने जो बताया वो कुछ नहीं आया था।
नो सर।
नो सर.
मैंने भी पहले पढ़ी थी भैया, लेकिन आपके लेक्चर में बहुत कुछ नया पढ़ने मिला।
सेम भी।
ट्रिगर्स नहीं पता होंगे,
ट्रिगर
वो नहीं पता होंगे, बिफोर आफ्टर का कॉन्सेप्ट, ये वाला कॉन्सेप्ट, सबको इसको किस तरीके से यूज करते हैं वो नहीं समझ आता है.
हाँ भैया, और ये ग्रुप बाय वेयर।
हाँ भैया, और एक और शॉर्टकट था ना, आप लिखे थे 1, जैसे कि इसको 1 लिख सकते हैं, इसको
कॉलम को 1 लिख सकते हैं. बहुत बेसिक चीजें जो लोग नहीं बताते. बट और ऑर्डर ऑफ एग्जीक्यूशन तुम अभी समझोगे मुझसे ना, जब तुम्हें मजा आ जाएगा.
अभी
पूरी क्लैरिटी मिल जाएगी ऑर्डर ऑफ एग्जीक्यूशन में. मशीन लर्निंग तो उससे ज्यादा बढ़िया होने वाला है. दिमाग खुल जाएगा. मेरे को सबसे फेवरेट है मेरा मशीन लर्निंग स्टैट्स पढ़ाना.
भैया थोड़ा हिंदी मिक्स रहता है ना, तो मजा आता है काफी।
नहीं, तुम मुझसे हिंदी में पूछोगे तो मैं मोस्टली हिंदी में आंसर करूंगा. जो मुझसे इंग्लिश में पूछता है वो मैं इंग्लिश में आंसर करता हूँ. पढ़ाता मैं इंग्लिश में हूँ ताकि किसी को प्रॉब्लम ना हो.
हाँ भैया।
स्टार्ट तो हो गया ना भैया?
हाँ, स्टैट्स तो हो गया. मतलब मेरे को पढ़ाने में वो बहुत मजा आता है. स्टैट्स, मशीन लर्निंग, डीएल.
हाँ भैया, मजेदार चीज तो है।
सीक्वल वगैरह का पता नहीं आता मेरे को.
हाँ भैया, कल आप बता रहे थे ना अपने प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में कि वो सारी वारी का मिला है, तो सुन
हाँ
के ही लग रहा था बहुत।
वही. ठीक है, सॉल्व करते हैं. चलो 9:13 हो गया. Alright, so how would we solve this question? Can you tell me? So what do we need? We need to find the largest country in each continent. Yes or no? Yes or no? Basically,
Yes.
what we need is a filter where area is equal to the maximum area for that particular continent in which the country is. थोड़ा सा प्यार से मैं समझा देता हूँ because this is so basically everybody carefully understand. So what we need is, this is country, this is continent, this is area. So for each country, you will say that where area for this country is greater than area for the, which is maximum for this continent? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If this is country A, this is
Yes,
Asia,
B.
then you will say for country A, I need maximum area for continent Asia. Yes or no?
Yes, we.
For this country B, I will say that, okay, I need, this is Europe. Then I will say, okay, for I need for maximum for Europe. So I can clearly understand that, okay, I can attain this using joins or using correlated subqueries.
Yes, sir.
How
Yes.
can I attain this using joins? Simply say select country from table 1 as T1, join. What will I say now, guys? Select country, comma,
From
max
the
area, sorry, continent, comma, max area from T2 as table 2,
ये table 2 ST2.
table 2 as T2. Yes or no?
We
हाँ भैया
Group by
Yes, B.
continent. Now on T1 dot continent equal to T2 dot continent. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, we-
yes, sir.
Then
Yes,
we'll say simply where, let's call this as area average, area max, where area greater than area max. Yes or no?
यस भैया
Because this way,
भैया area
yes,
area greater than area max नहीं होना चाहिए ना
equal to.
area equals
Equal to, yes. So why this works? Because this T2 will be what? T2 will be for each continent. Asia, what is max area? For Europe, what is max area? And when you join this, you will get over here max area. Yes or no? Yes or no, Rajgopal? Manas? And you can easily filter, checking these two are equal or not. These two are equal, put A country. These two are not equal, don't put B. Yes or no?
हाँ भैया
Simple how you can solve using joins. Now let's understand how we can solve it using subquery, correlated subquery. Let's just directly write. So we understand that after area, we need to write a subquery that is correlated. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, B.
So select name from world where area equal to. Now what you will say? Where area equal to, bolo. Select
Maximum area
area
as max
from
area.
from world
world as W2, where W1 dot area or W1 dot
On that
continent
continent.
equal to W2 dot. तो few columns और क्या चाहिए? Name and area.
Name, area, continent.
इसी ऑर्डर में चाहिए क्या?
Not necessary.
नहीं भी ऑर्डर का तो कुछ नहीं करते.
अरे यार अब ये मेहनत क्यों करनी है? ठीक है? Clear everyone?
हाँ भैया
Clear?
yes भैया
First country of each continent alphabetically. So guys, what you need now is that for each continent, you need to find which country comes first. Yes or no? For each continent, which country comes first in alphabet order is what you need to find. Yes or no?
Yes.
So you
Yes,
need
we-
to say
Yes, B.
here name equal to smallest country in this continent for each row. Yes or no?
एरिया वाइज फर्स्ट
क्या दबा
वैसे
दिया
नहीं है ना
मैंने?
फिर
नहीं सिर्फ यही है ना नेम ऑफ.
Alphabetically.
हाँ first
अल्फाबेटिकली फर्स्ट
yes, alphabetically first. So to get alphabetically first, you can just do minimum of n name. You will get alphabetically first. Clear? Everyone, is this clear?
Yes, B.
Yes, we- yes.
yes भैया
So again, you can see you can solve it using join or subquery. Yes or no?
Yes, भैया.
How can you do using join?
yes.
You can say select name. Name is country basically from world where नहीं sorry join
as W.
as W1 कर देते हैं इसको. Join then on as W2. Here you will say select minimum what minimum of name comma continent from world as यहाँ पे हाँ इतना ही है from world group by continent. This is what you can do on w1.continent equal to w2.continent where name equal to, let's call this as min name. Yes or no, everyone?
हाँ भैया.
Yes.
Yes, भैया.
सर ये मिन नेम से आ जाएगा नेम से.
What?
हाँ आ जाएगा.
मिन
Name
नेम से आ
करते हैं
जाएगा क्योंकि मिन मैक्सिमम तो इंटीजर के लिए यूज होता है ना, मतलब नंबर्स के लिए.
देखो
अगर
मिनिमम अंडरस्कोर नेम तो भाई क्या है इसमें दिक्कत? क्या दिक्कत है इस नाम में?
भैया उसको लग रहा है कि मीनिंग एग्रीगेट फंक्शन हम
स्ट्रिंग पे भी काम करेगा
कैरेक्टर
मुझे.
पे कैसे लगा रहे हैं.
मैक्सिमम मिनिमम भी तो एग्रीगेट फंक्शन होते हैं.
हाँ लेकिन वो स्ट्रिंग पे काम करेगा भैया, लाइक नेम
हाँ
पे. और
वही बात है कि स्ट्रिंग पे मिनिमम और मैक्सिमम अगर तुम सॉर्ट करते हो तो स्ट्रिंग सॉर्ट नहीं होती पाइथन में लेक्सियोग्राफिकली.
अच्छा हाँ ठीक है.
मिनिमम मैक्सिमम भी तो दे देगा ना. क्लियर सबको?
हाँ भैया.
Now let's solve this using correlated
सब
subquery.
query.
Select name.
कॉन्टिनेंट कॉमन है मतलब वैसा ऑर्डर.
Continent भी चाहिए क्या?
हाँ
Content बोल रहा है ना अभी.
अच्छा from list each continent. Okay. From world as W1. Okay.
वेयर नेम
Where name equal to select
सिलेक्ट मीन नेम
minimum name from
फ्रॉम
world as world W2
वेयर
where
W1 कॉन्टिनेंट
W1.continent.
इज इक्वल्स टू W2 कॉन्टिनेंट.
Clear everyone?
ऑर्डर बाय भी करना है.
नहीं इसमें नहीं ऑर्डर बाय करने की जरूरत.
ऑटो पे नहीं करना ना.
कर लिया ना.
ऑटो पे क्यों करना है?
ओके.
Clear everyone? Any doubts?
नो सर.
हो गया.
Any doubts? Vipul,
नहीं भैया.
Rajgopal? Okay. Now what is this question saying? Find the continents where all countries have population less than equal to of पता नहीं कितने zero है. Then find the name of the countries associated with these continents. Yeah, so name, continent and population. Find the continents where all countries have a population greater than this. ठीक है. Then find the name of countries associated with these continents. Show name, continent and population.
मैं उस दिन ही हो गया था. इसमें नहीं लगेगी मतलब को रिलेटेड फाइल सबसे.
करो पर कोरिलेटेड क्वेरी से करो.
ओके.
कर लिया सबने? ट्राई वाला क्वेश्चन अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. बोलो.
तो सर हो गया.
लास्ट टाइम किया था भैया रूल्स.
लास्ट टाइम किया था.
हाँ.
ये बंदा नहीं.
Right, so is there any other way you can solve it? ले लो टाइम ले लो अगर नहीं करें तो अच्छे क्वेश्चन है. 9:30 तक रैप करना है. 2 मिनट ले सकते हो. कर सकते हो. सॉल्व कर रहे हो क्या? सॉल्व ये दोनों
यूजिंग सब क्वेरी ट्राई कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ सब क्वेरी से करो. मजा भी
हाँ मतलब को रिलेटेड वाली.
एक मिनट और. This one actually you can do without सब क्वेरी भी. दो तरीके हैं, जॉइन लगा के भी कर सकते हो.
हाँ वो जॉइन से तो कर सकते हैं.
ठीक है. So let's solve it. So guys, what do you want? You want basically those countries for which their continents, basically those countries for which, basically ये कैसे समझाऊं यार, एक तो यार ये कैसी तो भाषा दे दी है इन्होंने. All right, so let's just understand question quickly. So what do we need is, let's say country A, B, C are from Asia, country C, D, E are from Europe, but for country E, the minimum area ही है ना, right? क्या क्वेश्चन में?
ये तो पॉपुलेशन वाला है ना.
Population.
Population.
So let's say
Continent
the
wise,
population.
सारे.
Okay, got it. So for country E, let's say the population is less than 25 million. Let's say it is 24.5 million, but this is 26 million, this is 27 million. Then also you will not print these countries because Europe has a country with population less than 24.5 million. So you will print only those countries which belong to that continent having population greater than 25 million. Clear, everyone? Only these countries will be printed. Clear?
Yes, we.
अब
Question
एक्सप्लेनेशन
clear?
सही था, बस वो लेस देन चाहिए.
क्वेश्चन क्लियर है हाँ या नहीं, ये बता दो पहले.
हाँ
अभी
All right, so how can you solve it quickly? So you can say, okay, select country, और भी कुछ चाहिए क्या? Show name, continent and population.
नेम कॉन्टिनेंट पॉपुलेशन.
फालतू प्रिंट करवाते हैं चीजें. So show name, continent and population from world. Now just filter on continent, saying where continent in, select continent from world,
ग्रुप बाय कॉन्टिनेंट
continent having
हैविंग मैक्स पॉपुलेशन.
population, sorry, having minimum या maximum? अच्छा,
मैक्स.
maximum.
हाँ भैया मैक्सिमम
Okay, we need
पॉपुलेशन.
to only print those countries having less than, not greater than. Clear? Sorry, one wrong I said. Clear है ये बात सबको?
यस भैया क्लियर है.
अभी
नहीं
क्या बोल दिया मैंने?
पहले कॉन्टिनेंट ढूंढना है कि जिसकी
नहीं, मैं
सारे
कह रहा हूँ-
कंट्रीज की पॉपुलेशन 25 मिलियन से छोटी होगी.
से छोटी होगी. Yes, the population should be less than 25 million, not greater than 25 million. Clear? I said it wrong.
हाँ भैया.
Any doubts?
ऑफ ऑल कंट्रीज. अच्छा ठीक है.
Yes. Any doubts, anyone?
नहीं
In this
भैया.
question? Radgopal, any doubts? Manas, any doubts? Vipul, any doubts? Rishabh, any doubts? Isha?
नो सर.
No, how can we
No,
do this
भैया.
without our query? From world as W1, where population, sorry, population तो हमें ही हुई है ना. Now basically what I need is that population for my minimum population for my max country in this continent. This is the scenario, yes or no?
हाँ भैया।
Yes or no, everyone?
हाँ भैया।
So what you can say now? Select name. No, sorry, 1 second. Select maximum population from world W2 where W1 dot continent से काम चलेगा?
W2.com।
ठीक है ना? Clear everyone? Any doubts?
Yes, no भैया, डाउट नहीं।
वो भैया
Doubts anyone? Any doubts anyone? Assuming no, I'll move forward. Show countries which have population more than 3 times that of any of their neighbors. Basically, in the same continent, all the countries are considered as neighbors. यही बात बोल रहे हैं ना?
हाँ भैया।
Okay, so how can you do this, everyone? Anyway, apart from subquery, I don't think so. You would need a 2 query even in that case if you would want to do without correlated subqueries. You will be able to soon once you understand CTEs. All right, so show countries which have population more than 3 times of that of all their neighbors. So is the question clear, everyone? Can I start explaining?
हाँ भैया।
Yes भैया।
All right. So there are ways you can do with the CTEs and everything, but right now you do not know all that, so it's okay. Let's do it with this. So guys, what do we need first? We need the name of those countries from our world table. Yes or no? Now, what do we need? Where population is
greater than
greater
3
than
times
3 times of all its neighbors. Yes or no?
all the
Yes
rest
or no?
of the countries in same
That is very
continent.
simple, right? What you will say? You will say, okay, select maximum population. Yes or no?
Yes sir।
Multiplied by 3 from world W2 where
W1 dot continent
W1
square
dot continent
equal
equal
to
to
W2।
W2 dot continent. But there is one more catch. You don't want the same country to be included, right? If you are calculating for India, you don't want to include India in the neighbors. Yes or no?
Yes भैया।
हाँ भैया।
So what you will say, W1 dot name not equal to W2 dot name.
हाँ भैया।
Any
Yes
doubt?
भैया।
नो भैया।
नो डाउट भैया।
ये इन सीक्वल्स वालों ने खाना का ऑल क्यों लगाया हुआ है हर जगह?
वो शायद उन्होंने एरे क्रिएट करने के लिए लगाया होगा।
जरूरत नहीं है ना। क्या लिखना है इसके आगे? मुझे वर्ल्ड हो गया हमारा आगे। वेयर population greater than select max population
into 3
multiplied by 3
from world
from world W2 where W1 dot name not equal to
continent
W2 dot name and W1 dot continent
equal to W2 dot
W2 dot
continent।
भगवान के भरोसे चला दिए, कुछ गड़बड़ आ गई है।
सर
Greater than in the same continent.
मुझे लगा था मैक्स एरिया सम यूज होना चाहिए था।
सम क्यों?
कंट्री और कॉन्टिनेंट देना है, अपने नेम और पॉपुलेशन दिया भैया, नेम और कॉन्टिनेंट देना।
अरे यार ये सब ना मेरे से अपने टाइम के टेस्ट में भी गलतियां होती थी। आधा 5 मिनट के क्वेश्चन में मैं 6-7 मिनट लगा देता था, आधा टाइम बर्बाद। क्लियर एवरीवन?
अभी
हाँ भैया।
यस भैया।
All right, any doubts? Can we move forward?
यस भैया
Yes,
Any
भैया.
doubts in more join and self join? Do you want me to solve it?
1 मिनट भैया चेक कर
ये पास नहीं हुआ था. आर्ट डायरेक्टर का नाम देना था शायद इसमें.
All right, let's solve it quickly then. Let me know anyone if you have any doubts in any question. Okay, I'll not explain much, but if you have any doubts, just ask me. Clear everyone? राजगोपाल तुम पूछते नहीं हो, तुम्हें डाउट होते हैं, ये पसंद नहीं है मेरे को आदत. So if you have any doubts, ask me. Okay, everyone, not just Rajgopal.
हाँ भैया.
All right, so let's do more join quickly. So what is it saying, guys? List the films where the year is 1962. So ये तो दिया ही हुआ है. Right, select ID title from movie year equal to 19. So basically we have these columns: movie, actor, and casting. So we want the year 1962, list the films. So ID and title we need to list from movie where year equal to 1962. Clear? Any doubts? Can I move forward?
Yes.
हाँ भैया
ये
भैया
year of
जो
it
जिनमें
is-
डाउट है वही बता दो
खत्म कर लेते हैं, 2 मिनट लगेगा. Select year from movie where title equal to, ये है ना मूवी का नाम टाइटल.
Citizen Kane.
Any doubts, anyone?
No भैया.
List all Star Trek movies, include the ID, title, and year. These movies include the word Star Trek. Very simple, right?
Yes भैया.
Yes, भैया.
From किस में से? Movie. Where? Title,
टाइटल लाइक
Like
percent,
परसेंटेज.
Star Trek %.
Star Trek. Order results by year. Any doubts? क्या गलती कर रहा हूँ?
Wire.
भैया.
फायर है.
ठीक है, let's go down. What ID number does the actor Glenn Close have? So ID number यही होगी actor की.
Join करना
Just
पड़ेगा
write,
शायद
you can
इसमें.
say right? No, this only ID that is asking.
अच्छा, name ID. Yeah.
Select ID from actor where name equal to.
Glenn Close.
Any doubts, anyone?
No भैया.
What is the ID of film? You can do this, right? Select ID from movie where name equal to Casablanca.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, भैया.
और टाइटल है वहां पे, नेम नहीं है. Use movie ID. Obtain the cast list for Casablanca. Let's say movie ID was not given. How can we do it then? So we want to get the cast list for Casablanca. So what we can say is select casting से चाहिए, एक्टर से चाहिए, कहां से चाहिए?
Name चाहिए तो join करना पड़ेगा.
All right.
पहले movie
So
से
basically, guys, हाँ सुनो मेरी बात ध्यान से. So guys, what we need to do is from casting we can get actor ID and we can join with the actor and get the names. Yes or no?
Yes भैया.
Let's do that first.
यस भाई.
So select name from actor, then join casting on actor.id equal to, वहां पे क्या था? casting.actor ID. Yes or no?
एक्टर आईडी.
Yes भैया.
Yes or no?
Yes, please.
Casting.actor ID. Now we need to filter and get only that movie
फिर movie ID.
where movie ID is this. Yes or no?
Yes भैया.
But let's say this was not given. Then how can we do this? We can say select movie ID. Here it will be in movies, it will be ID. Yes or no? समझ ही गए हो क्या?
हाँ भैया.
Select ID from movie where title equal to.
Casablanca.
कैसे बनेगा?
Any doubts?
No sir. No भैया.
Obtain the cast list for the film Alien.
सेम क्वेश्चन.
Any doubts?
हो गया।
List the films in which Harrison Ford had appeared.
बस उल्टा करना है.
Select. How would we do this? List the films where Harrison. हाँ ठीक है, तो टाइटल दिखाएंगे. From movie. Then. और क्या दिखाएंगे?
ज्वाइन करना पड़ेगा ना.
एक्टर टेबल
List the films in which Harrison Ford has
Join करेंगे.
appeared. All right. Harrison Ford ये अच्छा बंदे का नाम है. मैं मूवी का नाम सोच रहा हूँ. So एक्टर को ज्वाइन करेंगे, पर कैसे ज्वाइन करोगे? कितने ज्वाइन लगेंगे गाइस?
3 लगेगा।
3 लगेगा?
Yes.
Yes or
दोनों
no?
को कास्टिंग से कर सकते हैं ना ज्वाइन.
तभी तो
2
3
लगेगा।
ज्वाइन होंगे. Join movie.id. Sorry. Join casting on movie.id equal to casting.movieid. Yes or no?
Yes. हाँ, yes
Yes,
भाई।
Yes or no?
Yes भाई।
Join actor on actor.id equal to casting.actor.id.
Actor ID is।
Where actor का क्या नाम है? एक्टर ही है क्या? कॉलम का नाम नेम होगा ना?
हाँ, name है
Where
भाई।
actor.name. नहीं, एक ही नाम है वैसे तो फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Where actor.name is equal to
इसका नाम।
clear?
Yes भाई।
Everyone, any doubts?
yes.
Any doubts in this?
हो गया।
नो भाई.
List the films where Harrison Ford has appeared but not in the starring role. The ordinal field of casting gives the position of actor. If ordinal equal to 1, then this actor is in the starting role. Ordinal कहाँ लिखा है भाई? दिया हुआ है क्या?
Ordinal है भाई। हाँ, third
Alright.
one।
कास्टिंग
कास्टिंग में दिया.
Good. So films where Harrison Ford has appeared, is this yes or no? Yes or no?
yes
Yes.
भैया.
These are the films
Yes,
where Harrison
भैया.
Ford has appeared. And we can say casting dot ordinal
Not equal to
not equal to 1. Clear?
yes भाई।
List the films together with leading star for all 1962 films. So what do we want? Select title, comma, actor dot name, yes or no?
Yes
This is what we need to show. From title, join casting. Yes or no? Everything is joined now, guys. Bolo.
yes भाई। From title नहीं।
Where movie dot year equal to 1962, and we need leading star. That means ordinal, which is coming from which? Casting
should be
should be equal to 1.
Equal to 1 is
Clear everyone?
title alter physical।
क्या गलती कर दी है?
टाइटल कॉमा नेम एक साथ कैसे आएगा भैया? लेकिन कैसे दिखाएगा?
वही। Yes।
दिखा देगा.
सर select
अलग कॉलम है ना.
spelling cell starting।
Clear everyone? Title
Okay.
और name अलग कॉलम है ना.
हाँ.
टाइटल उससे आ रहा है, नेम हमारा एक्टर आईडी से आ रहा है. नेम यहाँ से है, एक्टर और टाइटल मूवी डॉट टाइटल से है. Clear everyone?
ज्वाइन किया था. yes भैया.
Any doubts? Any doubts?
Sir, can we do without one join?
Which join you don't
यहाँ
want
पे
to
हम
do?
लोग दो ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं ना. Instead of that, what we could try doing is like in the above question, we could have extracted the actor ID itself. Like actor ID is equal to select ID
यहाँ पे.
from actor, yeah, where name is equal to Harrison.
Okay.
Yes.
हाँ तो वो क्यों करोगे? पर तुम वो कर सकते हो, but that is not the right way to write a code, right? Whenever this question is being asked, the purpose is to see how well you are at joins.
No, I'm
Okay.
not saying that we have to avoid joins. I'm just saying that instead of two joins, we could do with only one join, and the other join could be replaced with a subquery.
कौन सा वाला सब क्वेरी से? अच्छा, एक्टर आईडी इक्वल टू Yes, yes, you can. Not an issue. Basically, Vedant is saying where actor ID, basically in this question, for actor dot name Harrison Ford, just for actor ID यहाँ पे इसको ऐसे निकाल लो. So, यही कह रहा है ना वेदांत?
वो जॉइन ही हटा दो, जॉइन एक्टर वाला.
तो जॉइन कास्टिंग एक्टर नहीं चाहिए ना. Where ordinal equal to 1 and actor in actor equal to select, क्या था आगे? Select name, नहीं select क्या था? Actor, इधर actor ID होगी.
एक्टर आईडी इज इक्वल टू सिलेक्ट आईडी
actor ID where from actor where क्या है
नेम इज
दूसरा
इक्वल
कॉलम का
टू
नाम? इक्वल टू
Name is
हैरिसन फोर्ड. इतने नाम नहीं याद रहते यार कॉलम्स के. टू
ऑर्डिनल नॉट इक्वल टू 1.
अच्छा ऑर्डिनल नॉट इक्वल टू 1 है क्या? ऑलराइट, सेम. ठीक है, everyone clear? You can also do with subqueries, right? Not an issue. You can actually do all of these with subqueries. Clear? Any doubts?
Yes.
Any doubts?
No way.
no bhaiya.
All right. So which were the busiest years for Rock Hudson? Show the year and the number of movies he made each year for any year in which he made more than 2 movies. Select year count title from movie. Yes or no, everyone? This is what we need. We need to show the number of movies for each year. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
हाँ भैया.
Yes.
Right? So what do we need to do? We need to join on actor. Yes or no? Say movie.id equal to what? Actor.id. यही है ना? नहीं, कुछ तो गलती कर दी मैंने.
नहीं,
क्या गलती कर रहा हूँ? ये नहीं है, रुक जाओ.
movie.id casting
From-
से movie.id
Join casting from sorry, on casting.id equal to
casting.movie.id.
id. यार ये नाम मेरे को ना डुबा देंगे एक दिन. Equal to movie.id. Yes or no, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, भैया.
Yes or no? Now what will you do? यार इतना ज्वाइन नहीं करते मेरे. Where मूवी में एक्टर का नाम है क्या? कुछ है मूवी कॉलम में?
रॉक हडसन.
मूवी कॉलम में नहीं है, तो एक तो ज्वाइन करना ही पड़ेगा. एक तो ज्वाइन करना ही पड़ेगा. कहाँ गया क्वेश्चन मेरा? Okay, on movie.id, movieid.movie.id. Now what will I say is I can join actor and get that as well, but I don't want to do that. I will say where actor ID equal to select ID from actor where name, sorry, where क्या था? Where name ही है ना?
नेम ही है.
Can I do this instead of joining, guys?
Yes भैया.
क्या कॉपी कर दिया मैंने रॉक हडसन की जगह? Any doubts in this, guys?
No भैया.
No.
Then say group by year, and now we want titles to be greater than 2, so we need having. Clear? Clear, everyone?
Yes भैया.
Yes.
Now
Yes भैया.
list the film title and leading actor for all the films Julie Andrews played in. Okay. So select title, comma leading actor. How will we get leading actor, guys?
Ordinal
ORD
equals to
is
1.
equals to 1.
ठीक है, एक सेकंड देना मुझे. So मुझे क्या चाहिए? मुझे टाइटल चाहिए और क्या चाहिए? एक्टर का नाम चाहिए, है ना? एंड लीडिंग एक्टर, दैट इज नेम। टाइटल आएगा मेरा मूवी से, करेक्ट?
Yes,
Yes,
भैया.
और इसके बाद क्या होगा? सोचने दो।
ज्वाइन होगा ना।
मुझे चाहिए क्या क्या? इसके बाद मुझे टाइटल नेम चाहिए, मूवी से आ जाएगा। इसके बाद मेरे को वेयर चाहिए, किस पे? मूवी आईडी डॉट ज्वाइन, पहले तो सॉरी, ज्वाइन कास्टिंग।
Dot movie ID.
हाँ, एक सेकेंड। ज्वाइन कास्टिंग वेयर ऑन मूवी डॉट आई डी इक्वल टू कास्टिंग डॉट मूवी आई डी। अब मेरे को इससे कास्टिंग और वो मिल जाएंगे। यहाँ से एक और ज्वाइन कर देता हूँ, ज्वाइन एक्टर ऑन actor dot id equal to casting dot actor id. Now I have everything that I need. Now I need to filter out those movies where Julie Andrews played. So what I need to do is where
Name equals to Julie Andrews.
Name is equal to
but
Julie
फिर तो
Andrews and ORD is equal to 1.
Ordinal
Julie
one.
Andrews, तो ordinal equal to 1 तो मुझे क्या देगा? नहीं देगा ना वो चीज।
नहीं,
Title
ordinal
equals
is
to
equal
Julie
to
Andrews.
नहीं,
Title and leading actor for all the films Julie Andrews played in. So if I say where name equal to Julie Andrews, then that means I will get only filtered with those people where name is Julie Andrews. I don't want that, right?
नहीं, you
Do I?
want that. No?
Why? If
You
I'm saying
want
where
all
name
the
equal to
films
Julie
where
Andrews, then I will not get the other names of the actors.
right, you need the movie IDs.
Need the movie IDs. हाँ, एक सेकंड सोचने दो, तुम भी सब सोचो। सोच रहे हो नहीं सोच रहे? किसी ने सॉल्व
हाँ
करा हुआ
भैया.
है तो बता दो। सिलेक्ट टाइटल कॉमा नेम, इसको मैं ज्वाइन कर दूंगा। अब इसमें मुझे क्या चाहिए कि जो हमारा आईडी है। अरे हो गया ना, वेयर मूवी डॉट आई डी। नाउ आई नीड मूवी आईडीज वेयर जूली एंड्रेस played in that. Yes or no, everyone? Yes or no? Quickly.
Yes, भैया.
Yes, भैया.
So what I'll say is
Yes, भैया.
movie dot id from movie, ये सेम चिपकाऊंगा, where actor is equal to, clear everyone? Now we'll get all the movie IDs where actor is that, and last I'll say where ordinal is equal to 1 to get the leading actor. अभी कुछ तो गलती मैंने क्वेरी में लिखी है।
Where 2 बार आ गया आपका, and डालना है where की जगह पे दूसरे वाले.
कहाँ?
लास्ट वाले where की जगह पे and डालना है.
ओहो शिट, क्वेरी के साथ आ गया ना। Clear everyone? Any doubts? Unknown column actor कहाँ लिख दिया मैंने?
Name.
Join actor on actor.id where name equal to Julia Andrews. All right, everyone. Any doubts in this question? Quickly tell me.
No, भैया.
Any
No,
doubt?
भैया.
Rajgopal?
नहीं है भैया.
Sure?
नहीं हुआ है.
Cool. So obtain a list in alphabetical order of actors who have had at least 15 starring roles. All right, guys. So how can we do this? Simple है यार ये तो, या नहीं?
सिंपल है भैया, ये वाला.
Count of ORD बताने तो.
who have at least 15 starring roles join casting on actor.id equal to casting.actor.id. Sorry, हाँ सही तो कर रहा हूँ, तो मैं बार बार कंफ्यूज जाता हूँ आईडी वाईडी कौन सी है. Now where ordinal equal to 1, then we can group by name and we can say having count of title. No sorry, count of कुछ भी ले सकते हैं अब तो हम. काउंट ऑफ नाम ही ले लेते हैं.
स्टारिंग चाहिए ना तो ऑर्डिनल लेना पड़ेगा.
क्या कुछ भी ले लो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है. काउंट तो उतनी होंगी ना रोज की, नंबर ऑफ काउंट तो आया नहीं.
नहीं, आपने अगर साइड कैरेक्टर भी प्ले किया फिर भी आ जाएगा ना इस केस में.
तो ये तो ले तो लिया, फिर ऑर्डिनल इक्वल टू 1 हो तो ऑलरेडी फिल्टर हो गया ना.
राइट.
एनी डाउट्स एनीवन?
No, भैया.
List the films released in year. Any doubts? Okay. List the films released in year. ठीक है, 10 तक मुझे खत्म करना है. 10:30 तक वो खत्म करना है ताकि 1 घंटा विंडो फंक्शंस पढ़ पाए. Okay. So list the film released in year 1978 ordered by the number of actors in the cast, then by title. So select title. And then what do we need? Ordered by number of actors in the cast. So we need count of actors. Actor अभी देखता हूँ कैसे लाऊंगा. From अच्छा मूवी और कास्टिंग से हो जाना चाहिए. Ordered by the factors in this cast and by title. ठीक है, cool. So I think I need only movie and actor ID. Count actor ID from movie where कौन सा ज्वाइन करेंगे ना पहले तो. Join casting on movie.id equal to casting.movie.id group by group by title where year ये ऊपर होना चाहिए. Where year equal to 1978 order by 2. क्या गलती कर दी? अच्छा,
मैं डिसेंडिंग में
order by number of actors and then by title.
2,1 को
क्या डिसेंडिंग करना है?
हाँ भैया.
दोनों?
नहीं एक ही सेकंड वाला है.
सेकंड वाला?
नहीं भैया 2 से जो डिनोट हो रहा है
कोई लिखा तो है नहीं इन्होंने.
वो मेरे को यही इसी चीज का डाउट था. मैंने हिट एंड ट्रायल किया.
नहीं चल रही है यहाँ पे. इन गधे लिखना चाहिए ना भाई. अब तो क्या मार रहे हैं हम, डिसेंडिंग कहाँ डालना है. List all the people who have worked with Art Garfunkel, whatever the fucking name is. I don't care. How will we do this, guys? So we need select name from actor. Join casting. Yes or no, everyone?
Join
यस भैया.
मूवी होना चाहिए ना.
मूवी ज्वाइन कर लो.
आर्ट का ये डायरेक्टर
ज्वाइन किस पे करेंगे?
एक्टर को और मूवी को कैसे ज्वाइन करेंगे हम?
तीनों को ही ज्वाइन करना पड़ेगा फिर कास्ट.
Where actor.id equal to casting.actor ID. Now we
Actor ID.
need. Now what do we need?
ग्रुप बाय मूवी आईडी कर दो.
List all the people who have worked with Art Garfunkel. Group by नहीं कर सकता ना. So
अच्छा,
where
हाँ,
name
where
aim select name. Okay, so again movie ID we need to fetch same as above, right? Where movie ID, पर movie ID कहाँ से आएगी? Movie ID अच्छा casting से आएगी. Movie ID in select movie ID from casting join on actor, sorry, join actor on actor.id equal to casting.actor.id and नहीं सॉरी वेयर आएगा ना वेयर नेम इक्वल टू 8 आई थिंक दिस शुड बी इनफ नहीं एक गलती कर दी है and we don't want to print the name of this guy again, right? So we'll just put this in. All right, any doubts, anyone? Any doubts?
No,
No.
No, भैया
Rajgopal, any doubts? Manas, any doubts? Vipul, any doubts?
नहीं भैया
Cool, this was a good one.
भैया मैं वो लास्ट क्वेश्चन डायरेक्टर लेके कर रही हूँ
Last वाला
उसको डायरेक्टर मान के कर रही थी वर्क विद
देख लेना आंसर आना चाहिए बस लॉजिक ठीक होना चाहिए तरीके बतेरे होते हैं यार एक क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के है ना पर डायरेक्टर से आंसर नहीं आएगा ना डायरेक्टर को मैच किस पे करोगे
वो एक्टर्स के साथ काम किया
Sure. So how many stops are there in database, guys? Simple है ना counts
Count of ID by some stops.
हाँ भैया
यार ये तो मत करवाओ ना find the ID value for stop crack clock heart how will you do this सेल्फ जॉइन है क्या क्या मतलब है इसका ये दो कॉलम है इसमें
ये दो टेबल है भैया
ये दो टेबल होंगे तो फिर क्या सेल्फ जॉइन करूंगा मैं पता नहीं होगा find the ID value for the stop crack clock heart how can I do this select
ऐसे
ID
where name is equal to
from
Craig
stop
Heart.
where name equal to कर लोगे ना यार ये सब अब मत करवाओ भाई बोल दो कर लेंगे भैया कॉन्फिडेंस से
हाँ भैया
है ना
कर लेंगे
stops give the ID and the name of stops on 4 LRT service now what is 4 LRT service
ये
guys
ज्वाइन करना
4 LRT सर्विस किस में दूसरे टेबल में है क्या रूट में है क्या
हाँ उसी में दिख रहे बाकी एट्रीब्यूट्स तो
4 LRT सर्विस का क्या मतलब है स्टॉप्स ऑन दी 4 LRT सर्विस मतलब
नंबर 4 है सर्विस LRT है
नंबर 4 है सर्विस का है यहाँ पे
सर्विस मतलब कंपनी बेसिकली
ओके कहीं लिखा भी नहीं है ना
वही भैया और वो वहाँ पे डेटा को एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए दबाएंगे तो वहाँ पे बता रहा है वैसे
अच्छा
कॉम्प्लेक्स
कोई खास क्वेश्चन है क्या इसमें
मैंने आधे सवाल के भैया फिर छोड़ दिया सॉरी भैया मैं करने वाला था लेकिन टाइम नहीं मिला
कर लिया करो ना यार इसी पे ज्वाइन होगा स्टॉप तो यही दिख रहा है मुझे क्या लिखूं
हाँ भैया स्टॉप पे ही join हो।
एंड नम कह रहा है ना वेदांत नम है ना
हाँ भैया
हाँ नम
स्ट्रिंग
एंड कंपनी क्या है
स्ट्रिंग है LRT
LRT
वो भी स्ट्रिंग
दोनों स्ट्रिंग है क्या गलती कर दी मैंने
ज्वाइन करना था अपने कॉमा लगा दी
अब क्या गलती है रूट है क्या
तो आगे रूट्स आएगा अपने रूट डॉट स्टॉप लिखा है
नहीं वो रूट आएगा रूट ठीक है तो सिंपल क्वेश्चन था ना यार पता नहीं कि टेबल ही नहीं समझ आया तो क्या लिखे अपन
वही
All right, so the query shown gives the number of routes visit क्या चाहिए भाई run the query and notice that two service चाहिए क्या भाई
भैया इसको रहने दीजिए वरना टाइम बहुत जाएगा
था उसमें
यार ये कर
ये
लेना
वाला ऐसे ही हो
बेकार
जाएगा ये
हाँ
प्रैक्टिस वाला
कर लेंगे भैया
ये प्रैक्टिस वाला है कल करके लाना कोई डाउट हो गया तो करना बताना है बेकार सा है इसमें कुछ खास लग नहीं रहा है मेरे को सिर्फ
हाँ
ज्वाइनिंग ही है
भैया
मेरे को लगा सेल्फ ज्वाइन का होगा अच्छा सा पता नहीं क्या था ये तो बेकार था हटाओ इसको ठीक है नहीं
इसका अलग ही था
फंक्शंस दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट All right, we have a good amount of time for window functions. Now let's focus. 1 मिनट की ब्रेक दे दो यार. पानी पी लूं. तुम भी 1 मिनट की ब्रेक ले लो.
Yes, भैया.
यस भैया.
पता नहीं इस टाइम पे क्यों लाइट चली जाती है. ह्यूमिडिटी बहुत भयंकर हो रही है. All right, let's begin. 1 मिनट और चाहिए ब्रेक या स्टार्ट करें?
चलेगा भैया.
आपको चाहिए हो तो ले लो भैया, वरना स्टार्ट कर दो.
बाकी लोग मैं तो तैयार.
एक दे दो भी 1 मिनट का ब्रेक, 1 मिनट का
ले
ब्रेक.
लो. ठीक है, 2 मिनट ले लो. 10:07 पे वील बिगिन.
ओके भैया.
लगा लेना यार, सेल्फ ज्वाइन खुद से पर है ना, छोड़ना नहीं है ऐसा कुछ भी
हाँ
थोड़ा सा
भैया,
हुआ
नहीं छोड़ेंगे.
नहीं,
हाँ भैया.
एक्चुअली वो भैया प्री प्लेसमेंट का टेस्ट है.
कौन सा टेस्ट
हमारी
है?
जो हमारा जो कॉलेज है ना, उसमें उन्होंने डिसीजन ले लिया कि कोई कंपनी आके अलग से अपना टेस्ट नहीं लेगा, हम लोग टेस्ट लेंगे और रिजल्ट्स कंपनी के साथ में शेयर कर देंगे, ऐसा. तो उसका मॉक आ रहा है 29 तारीख को.
कंपनी नहीं मानने वाली है.
अब हम क्या बताएं भैया, उनको लेना है. हमने कहा चलो करवा दो प्रैक्टिस.
हाँ, आप क्या ही कर सकते हो.
कर लेंगे बेस्ट हेल्प जो है. अभी
ठीक है, 1 मिनट और. मैं विंडो फंक्शन के नोट्स खोल लूं अपने. सीक्वल बहुत इन डेप्थ करवा दिया यार मैंने. मुझे नहीं लगता आप कुछ फंसेगा कहीं पे.
बस अभी प्रैक्टिस करनी है.
प्रैक्टिस की बात रह सकती है भैया.
प्रैक्टिस तो करनी पड़ेगी. थ्योरी वाइज तो नहीं अटकना चाहिए कुछ भी. आप ज्यादा ही कर
भैया.
All right, let's begin everyone. Rishabh, are you back?
हाँ भैया.
Everyone, are you back?
यस भैया.
भैया
Last leg of the sequel. फिर तो views indexes हैं, खुद भी पढ़ लेना, या मैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में 15 मिनट में करवा दूंगा. थ्योरी है बस. All right. So what exactly are window functions? Let's first understand that. What does a group by do?
forms group.
If I have, let's say, some data, employee, salary, same example of subquery, let's take employee, salary and department. I say group by department and get me the average salary. What will happen? For each department,
Average salary for what?
yes or no? Like this, IT, HR, average salary, business,
Yes.
marketing, whatever, right? So group by basically collapses the rows into groups. Yes or no?
Yes भैया.
Yes.
Yes भैया.
Then what would you do? You would join on this. Yes. If you want,
Yes.
let's say employee salary department and average salary, then you would join saying, okay, IT salary ki, let's say it is A rupees, B rupees. Then you will say, okay, for this A rupees will be there. For IT again, there will be A rupees. For HR, there will be B rupees. For IT, again, there will be A rupees. You would join back? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, भैया.
Or you can use a CTE, sorry, not a CTE, correlated subquery. Yes or no?
Yes, भैया.
हाँ भैया.
But there is another way as well, using window functions. So what exactly window functions will do is, it will give you select employee, salary, department, comma. Now you would say average salary over, this is syntax for window function, guys, over partition by department. Partition by means creating groups. I will soon explain all of this. Don't worry. Partition by department as average salary from table. And you will get exactly this table in one go. So basically, can you look from here that one use of window functions is to get the aggregated value of a group. Yes or no? Without collapsing the rows. Don't worry about the syntax again repeating. Just understand the essence right now. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes, भैया.
Without collapsing the rows, you are getting the average salary. Here, using group by, what you were doing, you were collapsing the rows and getting the average salary. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes, भैया.
Yes.
Yes, भैया.
Say yes or no, man. This is not a bhajan kirtan going on. But in this, we are not collapsing rows. We'll directly get employee, salary, department, average salary. Clear?
Yes, भैया.
Clear, everyone?
हाँ भैया.
And
Yes,
the
भैया.
best part is, if this is IT, then I will get A rupees. If this is HR, I will get B rupees because I've already done group by on department. Clear? Syntax nahi. Is the intuition clear?
हाँ भैया.
Clear. Another use case is, you can define a window based on range of rows after ordering. Don't worry about this. I'll come to it in a bit. Till this, everybody, is it clear?
Yes, भैया. ये notes में है क्या भैया?
What? Sorry?
Notes के अंदर है ये?
नहीं, लिख लेना. नोट्स में ऊपर ऊपर से लिखना है.
हाँ, syntax थोड़ा रह गया.
सिंटेक्स अभी नहीं देखना. सिंटेक्स तो अभी बचा है. बहुत डिटेल में जाऊंगा. अभी तो कुछ नहीं है सिंटेक्स.
ठीक है.
चलो आगे एवरीवन. Shall I move forward? Is this written? This is not on the road notes. Please write it. Can I move forward? Anil,
Yes,
can I
भैया.
move
Yes,
forward?
भैया.
हाँ भैया.
All right. Now, before I move on, I need to teach you a few tools. Let's say this is my row 1. This is my row 2. This is my row 3. This is my row 4. I'm currently on row 2. So current row is referred with the keyword current row. Clear?
हाँ भैया.
If I say unbounded, before that, wait. Preceding means rows before current row. And following rows after current row. Clear?
हाँ भैया
हाँ भैया clear.
Clear? Now n preceding means n rows before current row,
current row,
and n following means
n rows after the current row.
n rows after current row. Is this clear, everyone?
हाँ भैया
हाँ भैया.
Cool.
Yes, sir.
Unbounded preceding means all rows before current row. And unbounded following means all rows
after current row.
After current.
Are we clear on this, everyone?
हाँ भैया
हाँ भैया.
So if I'm currently on row 2, I say 2 preceding, then that means I'm on this row currently. That means first row, but before this nothing is there, so it will only take row 1. Am I clear on this concept as well?
हाँ भैया
Am I clear, everyone, on this concept? If I am on row
Yes.
1, this is my current row, and I say 2 preceding, because there is nothing before this, that means no rows. Am I clear?
हाँ भैया
Am I clear, Raj Gopal? Anil?
Yes, भैया.
Now let's get back to 2. Now, if I'm saying from 2, following 2 rows, that means 3 and 4. Am I clear?
Yes.
हाँ भैया.
Unbounded following, that means all the rows.
3 4 5 6
Yes भैया.
If I'm saying unbounded preceding, that means all the rows. That is only one row. Can I move
भैया
forward? Yes.
भैया
हाँ.
सिर्फ प्रेसिडिंग लिखेंगे तो फिर क्या लेगा वो?
Preceding क्या होता है ईशा?
प्रेसिडिंग मतलब उस करंट रो से पहले वाला.
हाँ, तो पहले कौन सी रो है?
अच्छा, सिर्फ एक रो लेगा उससे.
बस
ठीक है.
एक है तो एक लेगा, नहीं है उस पर ज्यादा. 0 है तो 0 लेगा, नहीं है. Is it clear, everyone? Any doubts?
no sir
Clear भैया.
Any doubts, Isha?
नहीं भैया.
All right, cool. So now let's understand how we create a window. Okay. So same table. Select employee, name, salary. From table. But along with this, I want to show the average salary for all the employees. So how can I do that? I will say average salary over. Over means I'm creating a window. Clear? This is the window function. Am I clear, everyone? This is the
Yes.
function that I'm using, and this is the window that I am defining. Clear?
yes भैया
Yes भैया.
I
Yes,
will leave
भैया.
over empty because I want all data. So over empty means all data. Clear?
yes भैया
हाँ भैया.
Yes.
Clear, everyone? Any doubts?
नहीं भैया.
no sir
नो भैया.
Cool. So I will get what? Employee, name, salary, average salary, and let's say for all the employees, department, for all the departments, all the employees, average salary came out to be C rupees. So all these population will be C rupees, no matter what the department. Clear?
Yes भैया.
yes भैया
Till this, everything clear? Can I move forward? This is the function, and this is the window that we are creating. Clear? Clear,
हाँ
everyone?
भैया.
yes भैया
All right. So currently what we are doing are called as okay, so currently what we're doing, नाम भूल गया हूं मैं इनका. They are called as I think statistical और notes में लिखा है यार इसका नाम जो उस पे notes हैं. नाम यार मेरे को नाम याद नहीं रहते हैं चीजों के. Aggregate window functions, okay? So average, minimum, maximum, sum, count, all these are aggregate window functions. Clear everyone? नाम है.
Yes.
Yes.
हाँ भैया.
All right. So now there is another function which is basically ranking window functions. We'll dive deep into them soon. But what I want to explain, I just want to tell there is a ranking window function called row. So what this does is this assigns row number based on some order. Clear? From 1 till
Yes.
n. And when there are n number of rows in table. So far it is clear? Any doubts?
No.
No भैया.
So let's see what I want to do now is I want to assign a rank to all the salaries. I want to say that employee A has salary, let's say highest salary. So I want to give him a rank of 1. Clear? And let's say employee F has lowest salary. So I want to give him a salary order, maybe let's say whatever जो भी number होगा यहाँ पे, the lowest number, the highest number basically. Clear? Clear everyone?
Yes.
B has second highest.
Yes.
So I want to give him second. Clear? This is what I want to do.
Yes.
Now window functions help me in ranking as well. Using what? Now please understand. My window is entire data. First of all, is that clear? My window is entire data.
हाँ भैया.
I have to compare salaries
Yes,
of
भैया.
every person with each other, yes or no? Not on the basis of department or any group. Yes? Just raw comparison. Yes or no?
Yes, भैया.
Right?
Yes भैया.
भैया.
Let's write select employee salary department. Now let's say row. Don't worry about this. I'll teach you. Now main thing you need to understand is over. Now in over I can say order by salary descending. So now what it will do is this window will assign row numbers based on salary descending. That means highest salary will get the row number 1. Second highest salary will get the row number 2. Third highest will get the row number 3. Am I clear, everyone?
Yes, भैया.
Am I
Yes,
clear?
भैया.
Yes.
And the order might change. This might be 5th highest, so you might get 5 over here. Am I clear?
हाँ भैया.
Yes. Sir.
Yes. Cool. From table. So what I want you to understand from here is that inside a window, you can use order by to order data. Now, a very key point over to here is to understand is order by is always necessary to use apart from for aggregate window functions. Now, why? We'll understand soon. बहुत डेप्थ का पॉइंट है ये.
भैया एक बार रिपीट करता है.
Order by is necessary to use apart from aggregate window functions. Aggregate window functions like average, sum, max, min, count. Clear, everyone?
Necessary to use every time when we use window function.
When we use window functions apart from aggregate window functions,
Okay.
you do
Okay,
not
भैया.
may or may not use them for average, min, max, sum, count, but you will use them for rank, lead, lag, row, dense rank, entile. Clear?
Yes भैया. Clear.
Can I move forward?
Yes, भैया.
Yes. Sir.
Cool. Now let's understand partition by. Now let's take two examples for this. First, let's take the example of average salary per department. So what now I need to do is I want to create multiple windows. Yes or no? I want to create multiple windows based on department. I want to get the average salary for each department.
हाँ भैया
Now I need to do what? I need to create multiple windows for each department. Yes or no? Yes or no?
हाँ भैया
So partition by helps me create multiple windows. Am I clear everyone? बहुत डेप्थ में जा रहा हूं मैं सिंटेक्स की एक एक लाइन ध्यान से सुनो. नहीं मिलेगा इतना डेप्थ कहीं और, गारंटी ले लो. गीक्स और गीक्स पे भी नहीं मिलेगा.
भैया ये मल्टीपल विंडोज फॉर ईच डिपार्टमेंट का क्या मतलब है? मतलब हर डिपार्टमेंट के लिए मल्टीपल विंडोज.
Every department will have one own window. IT will have one window, basically a group, right? HR will have its own window. And after this window, I can calculate average for them individually. Yes or no? If I do not create multiple windows and my entire data is like this, IT, HR, marketing, and I get the average, then I will get average for all, right?
All the
But I need to create windows to get different averages. Average for IT different, average for HR different, average for the next one different. Yes or no?
अभी
समझ गया.
So I need to create multiple windows. Otherwise, if I do not create multiple windows, I will get average for all. That is not what I want. I want average for each independently. Yes or no? Is this clear, Vedant? And partition by helps me create these multiple windows. Basically, on basis of some column, it groups the data into group. मतलब जैसे बोलते हो ना grouping, kind of groups ही है ये guys. Getting my point? These are kind of groups only. Clear everyone?
अभी
Yes,
Any
भैया.
doubts anyone in this? Rajgopal, Isha,
No, भैया.
Vedant, Vipul. Vipul तो है या नहीं है? Ajay, Jatin.
नहीं भैया.
Any doubts?
उसका मतलब
नो भैया.
हर डिपार्टमेंट के लिए एक कॉलम क्रिएट करने क्या भैया?
कॉलम नहीं, विंडो बनेगी. कॉलम थोड़ी बनेगा. विंडो बनेगी ना. डेटा पूरा एक विंडो में होगा ना. आईटी का डेटा एक विंडो में होगा या नहीं होगा राजगोपाल?
ये भाई
होगा या नहीं होगा?
होगा भैया.
So guys, as simple as that, let's create it then. Select salary, employee, department, comma, average salary over partition by what guys? By department. From table. Let's also call this column as average salary for department wise. Clear?
अभी
Yes, भैया.
Is partition by clear?
Okay.
Now let's move to the second one. Now what I want you to do is, I want you to give the ranks to salary. Now what I want you to do is, listen carefully everyone, I want you to give ranks to salary on the basis of department. Let's say A has salary 20,000, IT department, B has salary 40,000, C has salary 30,000. These are from IT, this is from HR, and D has salary 25,000. This is from HR. Then you will assign A as 2, B as 1, C because it is from HR department, then 1 to C, and D 2. Am I clear what you want, what you need to do, everyone?
yes भैया.
Yes भैया.
So now what we need to do is, first point, I hope it is clear that we need to create multiple windows
For each department. Yes, भैया.
for
हाँ
each
भैया.
department. Yes or no? So that means partition by will be used. Yes or no?
Yes, भैया.
Yes, भैया.
हाँ भैया.
Now we need to order as well, right? We need to order by salary descending as well. Yes or no?
Yes,
हाँ भैया.
Yes, bhaiya.
And
Yes,
that is
भैया.
the interesting part. And the only last point you need to understand for the syntax, that order by is individually applied to each window. Am I clear? Yes, this is in very depth. Please, if any doubt you ask me, I guarantee you, you will not find this depth anywhere else. This is after quite a lot of backtracking. कि ये क्यों, ये क्यों, ये क्यों, ये क्यों? कोई लिखता नहीं है कि ये इसलिए.
Each window मतलब each department के लिए.
So basically, Rajgopal, first it will say, okay, A and B, 20,000, 40,000, IT will be my first group. Clear, Rajgopal?
Yes, भैया.
IT group. Then this is happening because of partition. Clear?
Yeah, yes, yes.
Then it will say CD, 30,000, 25,000, HR. Second partition. Then inside this, it will order and say B will get rank 1 and A will get rank 2. Clear? Inside this, it will order and say C will get rank 1 and D will get rank 2. Am I clear, everyone?
Yes, भैया.
Yes भैया.
Yes, भैया.
Hence, you will say select salary, employee, name, whatever, department, comma, average, sorry, row over partition by, first partition by comes, partition by what? Department,
But
and order by what? Salary, descending
descending.
from table. Is the syntax clear to everyone who is here? What does partition do? What does order do?
Clear भैया.
Must.
Clear? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No,
Cool.
भैया.
So तुमने ज्यादा आधा विंडो फंक्शंस तो पढ़ ही लिया है. Congratulations on that.
Thanks.
Now, thanks बोल लो पहले मेरे को, ये कर लो, है ना? Now let's understand. Yes, tell me.
भैया,
Yes.
ये जो आपने ये नेम असाइन किया था एज एवरेज सैलरी डिपार्टमेंट, तो ये कॉलम को था ना जो हमने
हाँ, तो कॉलम पे नाम होगा.
विंडोज. हाँ, तो उसी
Column
पे
में तो
ऑर्डर बाय लगा देते हैं सीधे.
किसमें ऑर्डर बाय लगाऊंगा सीधा?
उसी कॉलम पे एवरेज सैलरी डिपार्टमेंट पे.
हाँ, तो एवरेज सैलरी डिपार्टमेंट पे ऑर्डर बाय लगा दूंगा तो मेरे को ये थोड़ी मिलेगा. मेरे को डेटा क्या मिलेगा फिर? मुझे मिलेगा डेटा दिस इज 1, दिस इज 2, दिस इज 3, दिस इज 4. डू आई वांट दिस?
नो.
Then what do I want? I want the ordering to be done within each group. That is why I created the window function, right? If I just needed to get the average, तो हम क्या कैलकुलेट कर ही नहीं रहे, हम रो कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं, है ना?
हम रैंक देना चाहते हैं बेस्ड ऑन सैलरी.
तो रैंक दे रहे हैं कि किसकी सैलरी सबसे ज्यादा है. एवरेज तो निकाल ही नहीं रहे हैं हम.
In the department wise.
Isha, what did you not understand? What was the question in this, Isha?
आगे
What was
उसमें
the second question?
कंफ्यूजन
No,
हो रहा
tell
था
me what was
पहले.
the second question.
Second question was, within each department we want to assign ranks to the people
Employees based on salaries, right?
based on salaries. Yeah.
So we used a row function for that, yes or no?
Yes.
First of all. Okay, now you know what function we will use. We need to create two windows, right? If there are two departments, IT and HR. If there are, let's say, n departments, then I need to create n windows, right?
Yes.
Based on department. For that, I will say partition by department, yes or no?
Yes.
And now
yes.
inside each department, because I want to order, I will use order by, yes or no?
Yes.
Order by individually works on each window. That is what I'm saying.
Okay, got it.
Order by does not work on entire data. In a window function, if you are doing partition by, then order by will work on each individual window. Clear?
Yes, भैया, clear.
Got it, bhai.
Right. Cool. Now, एक क्वेश्चन करवाना था, भूल गया मैं. क्या क्वेश्चन था वो? मूविंग एवरेज का था, वो करवाना है. ठीक है. So guys, what I want is for you to get me sum of, let's take a new example. Okay, let's say there is sales and there is month. So what I want you to do is, I want you to get sum of sales. So basically, let's say sales month is January, February. Maybe let's say months are in numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you have sales, let's say A, over here B, over here C, over here D, over here E, F, G, H, I, J. And what I want you to do is create a sum. Create a sum and yes, this should be A, this should be A plus B, this should be A plus B plus C, this should be A plus B plus C plus D. Am I clear, everyone?
Cumulative. Yes, भैया. Cumulative sum निकाल रहे हैं.
Cumulative sum. This is called as cumulative sum. Think, how can you do it? Okay, so can I help you guys?
Yes, भैया. Partition by month.
This is also related to order by. So please make a note of it. A lot of people get confused in this concept, and that is why it is checked a lot. In case of aggregate functions, when you use order by, it calculates running aggregate functions value. So basically, if I say select sales, comma month, comma, carefully look over here, comma month, comma sum sales over order by month, then what will it do is, it will make sure that the order is correct. Here I've already given the correct order. Let's call this as cumulative sum from table. So now for the first row, it will say, okay, no rows behind, just add A. For the second row, it will say, okay, previous sum is A plus B. So it will take the sum till here. For C, it will take the sum till here. For D, it will take the sum till here. Therefore, A plus B plus C plus D. This is called as running total. In case of sum, in case of average, it will be called as running average. Am I clear, everyone?
हाँ भैया
If I do not provide an order by, then it will just give me A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G plus H plus I plus J, all these 10 months for all of these rows. You understand the difference, everyone?
Yes, भैया.
हाँ भैया
Do you understand the difference, everyone?
ये क्यों हो रहा है ऐसा कुछ समझ में नहीं आया।
एक बार दोबारा बता दो.
क्यों हो रहा है? क्योंकि वो SQL का सिंटेक्स ऐसा है ना? So if you do not specify a sum and then, so that is what I was saying, guys. Order by is not necessary for aggregate functions. You remember this? Yes or no? Yes or no? But for every other, it is necessary, right? So when you do only sum over just this, you will get the entire sum for all the columns. Here also it will A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus G plus H I J. Here also it will be the same. Here also it will be the same. Here also it will be the same. Am I clear? But when you use order by, it will, let's say the order is 1, B, 3, C, 2. It will first order this data. After ordering it, it will give me a running sum A, then A plus C, then A plus B plus C as cumulative sum. Am I clear?
यस भैया क्लियर.
Sorry, this is month and this is salary. Sales. Am I clear, Isha?
हाँ भैया पर थोड़ा इंट्यूटिव कम लग रहा है.
सिंटेक्स है. सिंटेक्स को इंट्यूशन नहीं बना सकते कभी कभी. इंट्यूशन सिंपल है ना, उसको समझ आ रहा है कि तुम्हें सम करना है. ऑर्डर बाय भी तुमने दिया है. अब सम में ऑर्डर बाय का कोई मतलब है क्या? अगर मैं A प्लस B प्लस C करूं और A प्लस C प्लस B करूं, कोई फर्क है क्या?
नहीं है भैया.
नहीं मैं नहीं.
तो ऑर्डर बाय तुम क्यों दोगे? बिकॉज तुम्हें एक रनिंग सम चाहिए जिसमें ऑर्डर का फर्क पड़ता है.
ओके.
दैट इज व्हाई, बिकॉज रनिंग सम में तुम्हें A चाहिए, देन सेकंड में तुम्हें A प्लस C चाहिए. ऑर्डर करके इसका रनिंग सम चाहिए. नहीं तो A प्लस B प्लस C कर लो या A प्लस C प्लस B कर लो, कोई फर्क थोड़ी पड़ेगा. Will there be any difference in A plus B plus C and A plus C plus B? Jatin? Rajgopal? No, right?
No.
And that is why I said ordering is not necessary. If you want total sum to be displayed, then don't do order by. But if you are mentioning order by, it is thinking you want a running total, a running sum, a running maximum, a running minimum, a running count on the basis of order. इससे ज्यादा इंट्यूशन नहीं दे सकता मैं.
होगी होगी.
गॉट इट.
आगे भैया क्लियरिटी.
आगे भी
Is it clear, everyone?
यस भैया.
ज्यादा इंट्यूशन मेरे पास भी नहीं है, क्योंकि
यस भैया.
भी मैंने सोची है कि तुम्हें कैसे समझाऊं. मेरे को भी नहीं पता था क्यों ऐसे होगा. बट मेक सेंस व्हाई द इंट्यूशन इट शुड वर्क लाइक दिस. Order by is definitely the reason it will give me running sum. Otherwise, why would I put an order by? It will never understand, right?
यस भैया.
यस भैया.
हाँ भैया.
All right. So now, let's say I want sales month, let's say the product प्रोडक्ट ए की कितनी सेल हुई है एक महीने में, प्रोडक्ट ए की कितनी सेल हुई है बी महीने में, प्रोडक्ट बी की कितनी सेल हुई है एक महीने में, प्रोडक्ट बी की कितनी सेल हुई है दूसरे महीने में, प्रोडक्ट बी की कितनी सेल हुई है 5वें महीने में, समथिंग लाइक दिस. द डेटा इज गिवन टू यू. What I want is running total for sales per month for each product. Can you do this on your own, guys?
Yes, भैया.
Please do it. Simple, guys. Or is it
Done,
not?
भैया.
Good. बाकी लोग
हो गया भाई.
पार्टीशन बाय प्रोडक्ट्स.
partition by product, order by month, descending, no sorry, जो भी ascending, है ना?
यस भैया.
Yes, भैया.
Yes, भैया.
Any doubts in this, anyone?
नो भैया.
No, भैया.
Okay.
No, भैया.
यार मेरे को 1 मिनट देना, मैंने नोट्स में अपना सिंटेक्स जो लिखा था वो रैंकिंग रो का वो बना गया. All right. इसी के बाद ही आता है. So now let's move one step forward. Are we ready, everyone?
Yes, भाई.
Yes, भैया.
Till here,
Yes.
everything is clear. No doubts.
यस भैया. क्लियर.
Now let's say I have month. Let's say I have month. I have salary. Salary. Sorry, sales. What I want you to do is 1 month, 2 months before, and 2 months after. So basically, if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months, A, B, C, D, E, and F, what I want you to do is for second month, I need A plus B plus C plus A plus B plus C plus D. If I am talking about third, then A, B, C, and 2 rows after. Is it clear, everyone, what I want?
Yes, भैया.
हाँ भैया. हाँ
ठीक है,
भैया.
तो समझ.
A running average or maybe a running total with window 2 months before and 2 months later.
यस भैया.
So how can we do this? So you remember I taught you preceding and following?
हाँ.
Yes,
That's
भैया.
what comes into picture. Am I clear, everyone? Isha, is this clear? Is the question clear? I don't want later on you
Yes,
tell me this question is not clear, right? So please tell me.
clear भैया.
So now you will say select month, comma sales, comma total. So we take some salary over order by month. Now you will say rows between 2 row and between two not rows, two preceding लिख लोगे ना स्पेलिंग? टू प्रीसीडिंग
While
and
two following.
two following as running a total from table. Is this clear, everyone?
हाँ भैया।
Yes, yes.
भैया एंड टू फॉलोइंग की बात क्या लिखी है?
As एलियास दे दिया बस।
एज
As कुछ भी एलियास दे दे, कुछ भी नाम दे दे जो मन है। From table नाम में क्या रखा है? Okay. So how do we create these windows? So order by will come first, then you will write rows. Am I clear, everyone? After rows, you can write unbounded preceding. Clear?
हाँ भैया।
You can write two preceding. You can n preceding basically. Clear? And after and, you can write unbounded following. Clear? Clear? N following. You can also write current row and unbounded following, or current row and n following. Similarly, you can write unbounded preceding, n preceding to current row. Am I clear, everyone? Different windows are clear.
Yes.
Clear, everyone?
हाँ भैया।
Yes, भैया.
This way, what you have done is you have shortened the window. Clear?
हाँ।
Cool. So now, can you write to get average sales per product by month, order by month, preceding to and all rows after? Does not make much sense statistically, but still. Okay, let's take bit by month from current row and all rows.
Done भैया.
How will we write it, everyone? Is it done?
यस भैया।
यस भैया।
What is the answer?
वही ऑर्डर बाय मंथ, रोज, करंट रो एंड
एवरेज सेल्स ओवर
Average sales over
ऑर्डर बाय मंथ
order by month
रोज
by month rows
between current row and unbounded following.
between current row and unbounded following. Any doubts in this?
नो सर।
नो भैया।
ये per product है तो partition by product भी करना पड़ेगा.
Yes, partition by product तो कर दो पहले.
हाँ भैया।
Partition by product and unbounded following. Clear?
हाँ भैया।
Congrats, guys.
Yes.
Now
ओवर की बात करेंगे पार्टीशन बाय प्रोडक्ट।
what?
पार्टीशन बाय प्रोडक्ट ओवर की बात आएगा ना?
ओवर के बाद ही है, मतलब ये ओवर के बाद पार्टीशन बाय प्रोडक्ट देन ऑर्डर बाय, इस तरीके से. क्लियर एवरीवन?
हाँ भैया।
Yes, yes.
Yes, भैया. Yes, भैया.
All right. So guys, now if asked, can you calculate moving average and taking 3 rows before and 3 rows after, you can write SQL query?
हाँ भैया।
A very
Yes,
very
yes,
important question for interviews. Okay.
ओके भैया।
yes, bhai.
All right. Next one. Now aggregate functions is clear, right, everyone? We have gone in depth. Average, sales, sum, count, min, max. You can use all of this. Clear?
अभी
Right? So if I say what will max do in running max, what will happen? First one will come as it is. Right? Let's say the data is already ordered. Let's say the data is already ordered, because obviously you will specify order by, right? Order by month you will specify. So let's say it is already ordered. This is 10,000, this is 20, this is 30, this is, let's say, 20. So it will say, okay, what is maximum till here? 10. What is maximum for these two? 20. What is maximum for these three? 30. What is maximum for these three? Four? 30. Clear, everyone? Maximum, minimum work will same way. Right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Count you generally do not use. You might use it when it comes to partition by sometimes. Not very rarely though. All right, can I move forward? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, bhai.
अभी
All right. So now let's look at the ranking window functions. After this only, one type of more functions is left. So one is row number, mentioned as row. One is rank, capital. Another is dense rank. Clear?
yes भैया
हाँ भैया।
So now, one point for all of you to understand is that you do not need to provide any column in these. And why is that? Think.
Because
क्योंकि
हम
ऑर्डर
grouping
में तो
अपने-
पहले से ही हो रही है
Because we are already asking for columns.
Because we are already ordering by. I said order by is necessary. पहले तो मैं अच्छा रुक जाओ, पहले तुम बहुत आगे भाग गया मैं. पहले तो हम ये बात कर लेते हैं कि how can we actually, what actually these ranking window functions mean. Clear? So ranking से क्या समझ आता है? What do you understand with the term ranking?
It has to be a
value
priority
है।
order of some kind.
प्रायोरिटी ऑर्डर
Yes. So basically, ranking means you are assigning an integer on the basis of some order. Yes or no?
असाइनिंग
Who scored
हाँ
highest
भैया।
marks? Who came first in the race? Who has the highest sales? Who has the highest salary? Who has the lowest salary? Rank them first. Who has the highest salary? Rank them first. Yes or no?
अभी
Yes, bhai.
So guys, rank will already take an order by some column. And on the basis of that column, it will assign an integer. Let's say this column. So for this column, it will see what value this has. For this particular row, what value this has. For this particular row, what value this has. And just assign a number. Yes or no?
हाँ भैया।
Yes, bhai.
All the other values to remain intact only, na? And doesn't matter. Yes or no? Because this ranking, we are giving only on the basis of this column. Yes or no?
yes भैया
अब अगर कोई और
Yes,
कॉलम
भैया।
देनी है तो कॉलम 1 कॉलम 2 कर लेना. But
हाँ भैया।
basis of these column we are doing, right? Yes or no?
अभी
So
Yes,
is it clear why rank does not need a column to be defined inside?
yes already taken care of
Already you are giving. Is it clear, everyone, now?
अभी
Yes, bhai.
So now let's
हाँ
understand the difference between all these. अरे क्या है भाई, इसको इरिटेट हो जाता हूँ मैं इसके, बहुत बेकार यूआई है इसका मैक में. So what is rank and what is row and what is dense rank? So first, what is row? So row basically gives, let's say we are ordering by salary. Okay, let's take an example. Let's say for person A, the salary is 20. For person B, the salary is 30. For person C, the salary is 20. For person D, the salary is 40. So what will row do is, row will order by and say, okay, D 41, C B 32. If I say salary descending, clear? Highest salary first. Then it will say, okay, A 23. And let's take one more, E as 10. Okay. Then it will say, okay, C 24. And then E 10 5. Am I clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
हाँ भैया
So row assigns a number, a different number to even where a tie is. These two are equal, yet the row number is different. Yes or no?
हाँ भैया
Yes, भैया.
Yes or no? Yeah.
हाँ भैया
Yes,
Now let's
भैया.
see what does rank does in this case. What rank will do is, it will say, okay, D 40. Let's just assign, order the data first. So B is 30, 30, 20, 20, 10. So rank will start with 1. It will say, okay, this is 2. Now these two are same, so I will give 3 and 3 value. Clear?
हाँ भैया rank same होगा.
Same number
Same rank.
for ties. Clear? Isha, Rajgopal.
Yes. भैया.
Yes,
हाँ
भैया.
But it will say, okay, this should be 4 ideally. So I will put 5 here.
अच्छा
Gaps in numbers for ties. So ideally, it makes sense, right? This is what I learned. Row number, we know every row is unique, right? So obviously, unique values. Rank means if two persons have scored same marks, they should get the same rank. So that is why for ties, there are the same. But now comes dense rank. How can you differentiate? For dense rank, D, B, A, C, E, 40, 30, 20, 20, and 10. This will be 1, this will be 2, this will be 3, this will be 3, and this will be 4.
4. Yes.
There are no gaps. Hence, dense का मतलब ये होता है ना कि बहुत dense से gaps नहीं है.
हाँ भैया
Yes.
But same number, 2 ties. Am I clear, everyone?
हाँ भैया क्योंकि rank है तो
Everyone now? Any doubts?
no
Clear
clear.
है भैया.
क्लियर है भैया
No.
Clear है भैया.
Any doubts?
हाँ.
So now you need
No,
to
no.
understand what you need to use matters. For example, if it is asked, give the name of the person with highest salary, what will you use?
यूज कर सकते हैं भैया तीनों में से
Rank.
rank
There are
rank
many people having the same salary, right?
हाँ.
Right? Yes or no?
हाँ
So
भैया
you will use rank. Give the person with second highest salary.
rank dense
Dense.
rank
Dense.
Because if two person have highest salary, then it will be 113 when it comes to rank. You will never be able to capture it. So you want the two, and hence you go for dense rank. Make sense, everyone?
हाँ भैया
Yes, भैया.
Interesting? Can I move
Yes.
forward?
yes भैया
Yes, भैया.
So solve these two questions. Rank by salary. Just rank by salary. Then dense rank by salary. Highest salary first for these. Highest salary for each department. Can you write the window for this? बस 10 मिनट का और बचा है विंडो फंक्शंस, फिर इसके बाद ऑर्डर और सीटी। 5 मिनट, 10 मिनट का, 5 मिनट 6 मिनट का सीटी है, 10 मिनट का ऑर्डर बाय। Okay, and guys, these rows between average preceding do not work on ranking window functions. Okay, just make a note. On ranking window functions, this preceding, following, current row, all this does not work.
ओके भैया।
अच्छा बता दो, आंसर आगे होंगे अब तक तो। So guys, this will be rank over order by salary descending, yes or no?
Yes, भाई.
Yes, भैया.
This will be dense rank. Now I need to partition, yes or no?
Yes, yes.
याद करो, पढ़ा चुका हूं मैं, पीछे एग्जांपल कराया।
Yes,
हाँ
भैया.
भैया.
हाँ भैया।
नहीं, फिर मेरे को
Partition by
टाइम पास कर रहे
department.
हैं हम सब, हैं ये लिख के फिर से। ओवर ऑर्डर बाय, सॉरी, पार्टीशन बाय डिपार्टमेंट,
Department.
ऑर्डर बाय सैलरी।
Order
सैलरी
by salary descending.
डिसेंडिंग।
Descending. Yes.
एनी डाउट्स?
Done, भैया.
No, भैया.
ठीक
ना
है।
भैया।
ओके, इसका नाम मेरे को अभी याद करने दो। लीगल एड को क्या बोलते हैं? इसका नाम देख लेना, मुझे याद नहीं है, ठीक है ना?
हाँ भैया।
एंड टाइम। सो लैग, व्हाट डज इट डू? लैग, लैग का क्या मतलब होता है? लैग आ रहा है गेम में,
Slow.
अभी
मतलब
Lag
पीछे वाली चीज दिख रही है अभी तक।
पीछे से, हाँ.
Lag refers to previous rows. Lead refers to current, sorry, following
Future.
row. उसने लीड ले ली है, आगे बढ़ गया है ना वो।
अभी
हाँ हाँ भैया।
Yes or no?
यस
यस भैया।
Yes, भैया.
Yeah.
Is this clear, everyone?
यस भैया
Yes, भैया.
Yes, भैया.
Yes, भैया.
Now, what does lag give you? So if I say lag for sales I need, then that means, and also you need to give order by, okay, over order by month. Then what will it do? First it will order by month. So let's say there are 3 months. Let's say this is 1 more 4. थोड़ा सा चेंज कर देते हैं, 3 2 4. So first it will order by, yes or no? If I do not give order by,
यस भैया।
then it will give me previous values. का क्या मतलब है? कोई मतलब होना चाहिए ना statistically. Previous value का क्या करोगे तुम, right?
अभी
So what you will say,
हाँ
Yes.
you will say, and
Right.
why do you need a column here? Because you need to specify what you need, right? Which value do you need? So lag sales means for this there will be no lag, right? There will be no lag, तो यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं आएगा, there will be null. Clear? For B there is a lag. Now first we'll order by, sorry. So A1, C2, B3, D4. So for A there is no previous value, so 0. For C there is A, so A. For B there is C, so C. For D there is B, so B. And it's so easy when questions like these are asked. How much sale increased from the previous month? That means A minus 0, C minus A, B minus C, D minus B. That means sales minus lag sales over order by month. Yes or no?
हाँ भैया समझ गया।
हाँ भैया।
Yes or no? Everyone.
यस भैया।
यस भैया।
All right, एक दो क्वेश्चन देने दो मेरे को, और इसका एक और है, एक सेकंड रुकना, लिख लो तब तक ये सारा जो भी तो हुआ है। इसका एक सिंटेक्स होता है, वो मैं अपने ढूंढ रहा हूँ, 1 मिनट देना मेरे को, काम का नहीं है ज्यादा, बट लिख रहे हैं तो प्रॉपर्ली लिख लेते हैं उसको। All right, syntax मिल गया. So guys, for lag and lead, the syntax is column name, offset. By default, offset is 1. Offset means, if offset is 1 means 1 previous row. If it is 2 means 2 previous row. So offset, if it was 2, then it will be A, right, for B? Yes or no? Yes or no, everyone?
हाँ भैया।
For
Yes,
D, it
yes.
will be C. Yes or no, if offset is 2?
हाँ भैया।
So offset,
Yes.
by default, it is 1. Then default value. So by default, if a previous value does not exist, then it is null. Null लिखना था, यहाँ पे 0 लिख दिया है. Clear? It is null. Clear, everyone?
हाँ भैया।
And you can always specify, if you do not want null, then what should be the value. Clear?
ठीक है।
Yes.
Same for this column name, comma offset. Now offset means how many rows after you want. So if I say after B, I want offset of 2, that means D, right? So over here, I will get 4. Yes or no?
यस भैया।
So offset, comma default value. So for D, there will be no, for C as well, there will be no second offset. For D as well, there will be no. So instead of null, if you want any other value, the default value you can specify.
ओके
Clear? This
Yes.
also does not use rows between preceding. It does not make
यस
sense.
भैया
Clear?
क्लियर।
क्या सेंस बनता है ना? Preceding and following current row, this does not use. Clear?
अभी
क्या सेंस बनता है?
सही बात है। अभी
पीछे की वैल्यू लेनी है, विंडो देख के क्या करोगे? Clear?
Yeah.
And
क्लियर भैया।
partition by works as usual, as normal, guys. If it was per product, then for each product the order by would be done. Let's say these are product A, different months. Then for per product, order by will be done first, A, B, 1, 3. Then the lag will be given. Yeah?
अभी
यस भैया।
CD. So for this, sorry, D and C. And then 1, 3. So null and 1. Clear?
अभी
बेसिकली इसको थोड़ा मैं ऐसे दिखाना चाहता, समझ गए ना यार? बताऊं, थोड़ा क्लियर करूं थोड़ा? ईशा,
समझ गई भैया।
पक्का
हाँ भैया।
समझ गए ना यार? ये ए बी करके कर लोगे ना,
हाँ भैया।
अभी
है ना? मतलब ये और ये हो जाएगा, फिर ए सी 1 4, दिस इज नल, दिस इज 1, राइट?
डालेंगे।
Then there will be B and D, and this will be 4 and B and D 3 और 1 है, तो D and B, so 1 and 3. और सेल्स की वैल्यू आएगी, ये मैं ए लेके जा रहा हूँ, सेल्स की वैल्यू आएगी यहाँ, ठीक है ना? क्या लिख रहा हूँ मैं? ठीक है, हाँ, और यहाँ पे नल और डी. क्लियर?
दिया जाइए अभी।
हाँ भैया।
यस भैया।
क्लियर एवरीवन? एनी डाउट्स?
नो सर।
नो भैया।
ओके ओके, लास्ट वन कौन सा बोला था मैंने? एक और बोला था ना करवाने को, क्या नाम था उसका? भूल जाता हूँ यार मैं, वो एंटाइल.
views.
Entile. So what does entile do? Entile basically divides the data into buckets. समझ आ रही है बात? Into buckets.
Yes, भैया.
So what it will do is it will assign a value. अच्छा, एक चीज मुझसे गलती हो गई, ऑर्डर बाय जब करोगे तो वो डेटा भी ऑर्डर बाय में आउटपुट देखेगा तुम्हें, ठीक है? मैंने पहले बोला था कि डेटा नहीं चेंज होगा, डेटा चेंज होता है, ठीक है? ऑर्डर बाय जब करोगे ऑर्डर के हिसाब से डेटा दिखेगा तुम्हें फिर. क्लियर?
अभी
हाँ भैया.
Okay, so what entile does is divide the data into buckets. How many buckets? N buckets. Clear?
अभी
Clear?
हाँ भैया.
So entile of 3, what will it do is, let's say sales month. So what it will do is basically it will see, okay, how many months you have. Let's say there are A, B, C. कितने लेते हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6 ले लेते हैं. D, F. So let's say there is entile 3, you write entile 3 over order by month. Then what it will do is order तो उसने कर दिया है ना, अब देखेगा कि अच्छा 3 बकेट में डालना है, तो 6/3 मतलब 2 रिकॉर्ड एक बकेट में, राइट? So it means one bucket, first bucket will be this, let's call this as bucket. So bucket column will be created, 1 for this, 2 as this, 3 as this. Clear?
yes sir.
If anybody asks you to divide the data into quartiles depending upon some order, you just need to say entile 4.
अभी
Clear?
हाँ भैया.
Clear? It also does not
Yes.
use our preceding and all this. Okay?
yes sir.
Preceding and all of this preceding falana
Following.
dikhana does not work here. Doesn't make sense.
अभी
Right?
और equal divide करिए.
Addition by works. So if let's say I had A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and J. These products belong to, let's say, product A. These two belong to product B. These belong to product C. And I do entile of 3. Then what will happen is I will get A, D, E bucket 1 1 1, B, F, G bucket 2 2 2, G, H, I, J bucket 3 3. Sorry, 1 2 3. Basically inside each partition a bucket will be created. Okay, so for product A there will be 3 buckets created inside. So A will be 1, D will be 2, E will be 3. For product B 3 buckets will be created. B will be 1, F will be 2, G will be 3. For product C 3 buckets will be created. H will be 1, I will be 2, and J will be third bucket. Clear everyone?
हाँ भैया.
अभी
And if there were more than 3 elements for a product,
तो देखो वो क्या अप्रोक्सीमेशन मानता है, खुद मेरे को देख के बता देना, है ना?
okay भैया.
मैं नहीं देखता ये सब, मेरे लिए वो डेटा डिवाइड कर रहा है, मेरे लिए बात खत्म हो गई. ठीक है, आई थिंक वी हैव कंप्लीटेड ऑल द विंडो फंक्शंस गाइस. अब now there are already questions present. You need to solve those window functions questions on the platform. Clear?
अभी
And you need
हाँ
to
भैया.
solve the SQL zoo. I think on SQL zoo also window functions हैं. As a homework you need to solve these.
ओके भैया.
नहीं है क्या window functions?
आपने भी अलग से दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन विंडो फंक्शन का उस पर साइट पर.
देखने दो एक मिनट. नहीं है. Okay, so anyways, do this. Clear?
अभी
Yeah.
हाँ भैया.
Now
Clear.
we have 15 minutes left. Now let's wrap up SQL. के important part. CT भी पढ़ा दूंगा, 5 मिनट का है, उसमें तो ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा. Order of execution in SQL. So guys, First of all, our from is run. Clear?
हाँ भैया
We
Yes,
get
भैया.
data. We get our entire data. Clear? When joining is done, our data becomes joined. Clear?
हाँ भैया
Make sense? From joining will be done. After joining,
some conditions like
where will run. Now let's say after whereing, this was the data that we could get. So we get this joined and filtered data. Clear?
हाँ भैया
Isha, are you listening?
group
Yes,
by
भैया.
group
Now group by will be done. So now this data will be divided into
groups
groups. Group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, let's say. Clear?
हाँ भैया
Then having will be done. So having by, now filtering of the groups will be done. Yes or no?
हाँ भैया group by having
Get
groups
the final two groups. Now window functions will be done. Whatever your window function is, the result will be calculated and a column will be added for window function. Clear?
हाँ भैया
On both your depends, right? It can be a partition, it cannot be a partition depending on a window function. Clear? Clear, everyone? These two groups are here. Now your select and all the data will be calculated. The remaining data will be processed. Clear? You will select data finally. Basically, the data will be generated. Then order by.
distinct भी है distinct है इसके बाद एक
वो डिस्टिंक्ट भी यहीं पे रन होगा. सिलेक्ट में तो आता है.
हाँ भैया
सिलेक्ट में जो आता है वो सिलेक्ट में रन होगा. विंडो फंक्शन सिलेक्ट में आता है तो पर वो पहले रन होगा, फिर बाकी सिलेक्ट की चीजें रन होगी. Clear, everyone? Window function will execute first, then the rest of the things in select. Then order by. You have the data, it will be ordered. And after that, limit. Data will be limited. So guys, now why this order? Obviously, you will first do all the joins, yes or no?
yes sir
हाँ भैया.
You will do all the joins first, yes or no?
yes sir
Then
Yes,
after
भैया.
joining, you have the entire data. You will filter out the rows that you do not want. Yes.
हाँ भैया
Yes, भैया.
After that, you will do a group by on the filtered data.
हाँ भैया
After
हाँ
that,
भैया.
you will do what?
having to filter out
Having
The
to
groups.
filter out groups.
Because you do not know on which groups you want to calculate the sum, you want to calculate the average, you want the data to be shown. Yes or no? And also the window function to be run. Then window functions will be run. Clear?
Yes, भैया.
yes भैया
And then
Yes, भैया.
after that, what will be done? Window functions के बाद the rest of the select will get the data ready. The data will be ordered and the data will be limited. Please make a note of it. This is not in the notes. Giving you 1 minute. Order of writing भी बता देता हूँ. So writing will be select, then from, then joins, then where, then group by, then order by, then limit. Okay, guys, whoever has made a note of it can start solving a question. Select the second highest salary from each department Select the employee's name having the second highest salary from each department. You have data as department, employee, and salary. बस लास्ट है SSCT इसी के लिए. यूज ओनली विंडो फंक्शंस गाइस. ग्रुप बाय से तो बहुत आसानी से हो जाएगा. ग्रुप बाय सब क्वेरी से तो वो भी बता दूंगा, बट यूज ओनली विंडो फंक्शंस. If you get stuck, ask me, because I want you to get stuck. Be careful of the order of execution. It's a very common mistake that people do in interviews. विंडो फंक्शंस आ गए सबको समझ?
हाँ भैया.
यस
क्लैरिटी मिल गई अच्छी वाली?
हाँ भैया.
हाँ भैया.
यस भैया.
दस मिनट और का है गाइस, फटाफट करो. आंसर आएगा तो बता देना, नहीं आ रहा होगा तो बता देना. मैं चाहता हूं तुम सोचो, बिकॉज दिस इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. द मोर यू थिंक, फॉर अ लॉन्गर टाइम इट विल बी इन योर ब्रेन. 5 मिनट एक्स्ट्रा ले लो सर, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. सुना ही होगा इस क्वेश्चन के बारे में, तो कभी इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंसेस देखे होंगे तो ऐसे टाइप के क्वेश्चन के बारे में. सेकंड हाईएस्ट, थर्ड हाईएस्ट.
यस भैया.
हो रहा है. बन रहा है नहीं बन रहा? बताओ तो, कुछ तो बताओ.
डेंस रैंक यूज करेंगे.
डेंस रैंक यूज करेंगे, सही बात है. और
डेंस रैंक ओवर पार्टीशन बाय डिपार्टमेंट.
तो वो सब कर लोगे. फिर रैंक 2 कहां से लाके दोगे मुझे?
लिमिट 1 1 कहीं पे तो ऐड करना पड़ेगा.
ऑफसेट
यूनिट 11 से तुम्हें कैसे पता कि रैंक पहली वाली के बाद ही सेकंड मिल जाएगा तुम्हें?
ऑर्डर बाय कर रहा है ना सैलरी से।
ऑर्डर बाय कर रहे हैं तो भी तो पहली दो हो सकती है ना, रैंक 1।
नहीं वो ये करके कर रहे हैं ना, पार्टीशन बाय और फिर ऑर्डर बाय।
पार्टीशन बाय भी कर दोगे तो एक डिपार्टमेंट में दो की तो हाईएस्ट सैलरी हो सकती है ना।
राइट।
और
हाँ
दूसरी
भैया।
तुम अगर ऑर्डर बाय भी करोगे तो वो सिर्फ और पर डिपार्टमेंट ऑर्डर बाय 1-1 थोड़ी लेगा वो।
राइट।
वो तो तब यूज कर सकते थे अगर हाईएस्ट सैलरी निकालनी थी ओवरऑल, सेकंड हाईएस्ट सैलरी ओवरऑल। पर डिपार्टमेंट निकालनी है यहाँ। One more minute, guys.
ऑर्डर ऑफ एग्जीक्यूशन ने फंसा दिया भैया।
बाद में वेयर यूज कर लेंगे भैया,
क्या
लास्ट में वेयर यूज कर लेंगे।
वेयर कैसे यूज करोगे? विंडो फंक्शन
नहीं
पहले
करेंगे
एग्जीक्यूट
भाई।
होता है, वेयर पहले एग्जीक्यूट होता है?
वेयर पहले होता है।
तो पूरा बाहर निकालना पड़ेगा फिर।
All right, let's solve, guys. So here comes the topic of CTE, common table expressions. So what do these common table expression means? Am I audible, everyone? Are you listening over here and not solving anymore?
Yes भैया, you are audible.
Everyone, Isha, Rishav.
हाँ भैया बोलो।
Yeah.
What do common table expressions do is you write with, then you write your query. Sorry, you write with, then a name. You give the table that you will make out of the query a name. As, you will say as, and then you will write your query. Clear, everyone?
हाँ भैया।
Then you will not close here. You will then write your main query, whatever select, star, from maybe you can use name. You can use what you created over here, and then you will close your query. So whatever you executed will remain in memory until your main query has used it. Once the main query has used it, this will no longer be in memory. Am I clear?
Yes sir.
यस भैया।
हाँ भैया।
And with is always executed first, and then the main query is executed. Am I clear? Now let's say you want to create
एक
multiple table expressions. You can write name 1 as your query, comma name 2 as your query, comma name 3 as your query, and then you can write your expression where you will use your name 1, name 2, name 3, and then you will close it. Am I clear, everyone?
Yes, भैया.
The reason I cannot use select employee from table क्या लिख लेते हो, क्या कोड लिखोगे तुम अगर वेयर के साथ लिखोगे तो? मेरे से लिखा ही नहीं जा रहा वो कोड. क्या कोड लिखोगे? ये लिखोगे ना, select employee
Select
dense rank to handle ties and no gaps, dense rank over partition by department, order by salary
descending.
descending
लिमिट
from table where
Dense rank is equal to 2.
dense rank, let's name this as rank equal to 2 does not work because where is executed where, guys, before the window function. It will not have the dense rank before executing itself. Yes or no? Hence, yes or no, everyone?
यस भैया.
Yes,
Yes,
भैया.
भैया.
Entirely wrong. And this is what a lot of people do in interviews. So we explain that because my window function in an interview because my window function is not executed before my where clause, so I need to use a common table expression. So what I will do is I will say with, let's say, final rank as select employee, comma dense rank over partition by department, order by salary descending as rank from table. Then I will say select name employee from table, not table, this time I will use this table, this common table expression, final rank where where rank equal to 2. Am I clear?
Yes, भैया.
हाँ भैया. हाँ भैया.
Yes, भैया.
Am I clear?
हाँ भैया.
Yes, भैया.
Yes, भैया.
Last question. Is common table expressions clear? That is all it is. You write and you use it in the main query. That is all what is common table expressions are. Am I clear, everyone? Any doubts?
हाँ भैया.
Yes, भैया.
Got it.
Okay, can you do it using a self join? Just last, promise, last. Can you do it using a self join? बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स है।
कुछ कुछ स्ट्राइक नहीं कर रहा भैया।
भैया सब क्वेरी भी यूज होगा क्या?
नहीं, जॉइन में तो कुछ
सब
यूज
क्वेरी
नहीं
से
होगा।
सब क्वेरी से कर सकते हैं भैया एक्चुअली।
कैसे करोगे?
मतलब सब क्वेरी से पहले सारे डिपार्टमेंट वाइज उसको ऑर्गेनाइज करेंगे
एक
और
मिनट।
उसके बाद में
हाँ,
वो वाला सैलरी।
बोलो
हाँ
बोलो।
हाँ, वो मतलब एक बार डिपार्टमेंट वाइज ऑर्गेनाइज किया ना उसको, उसके बाद में वो वाला सैलरी चुनेंगे जो मैक्सिमम होगा, लेकिन मैक्सिमम मतलब जो मैक्सिमम सैलरी के अलावा मैक्सिमम होगा।
कैसे लाओगे वो?
बाहर मैक्स लिखेंगे और मैक्स ऑफ फिर अंदर सिलेक्ट जाके सैलरी ऐसा डाल देंगे और फिर सैलरी इज नॉट इक्वल टू मैक्स ऑफ सैलरी ऐसा बोल
ऑर्डर
देंगे।
ऑर्डर बाय लिमिट 1।
ऑर्डर बाय लिमिट वन तो तुम भूल जाओ। ऑर्डर बाय लिमिट वन तुम करोगे तो तुम्हारा एक डिपार्टमेंट की सैलरी दिखानी है क्या तुम्हें? बताओ फिर से कैसे करोगे सब क्वेरी से। सिलेक्ट एम्प्लॉय फ्रॉम, बताओ।
फ्रॉम टेबल
फ्रॉम टेबल
वेयर सैलरी इज इक्वल टू
सैलरी इज इक्वल टू
मैक्स ऑफ।
मैक्स। वेयर के साथ मैक्स तो यूज नहीं कर सकते।
यही पे खत्म हो गया, ठीक है।
ठीक है इसका भी सब क्वेरी से मेथड है वैसे, देख सकते हो।
हाँ वो सॉरी कोरिलेशन वाला करना था, हाँ।
हाँ, कोरिलेटेड सब क्वेरी लगेगी। बताओ कैसे होगा।
ब्रेन इज नॉट ब्रेनिंग भैया।
मैं बताऊं एक बार?
नहीं बताता हूँ भैया।
So select from table where, अभी इसको भूल जाना, ठीक है। Select count distinct, any distinct salaries from my let's call this table 1, T2 dot salary from table T2 where T2 dot department equal to T1 dot department and T2 dot salary is greater than T1 dot salary. And if it is second highest, then there will be only one salary that is above it. So where 1 is equal to this subquery. And it also handle ties because you have used distinct. समझ आया नहीं आया?
यस भैया।
आया समझ
भैया
नहीं आया बाकियों को?
भैया सब क्वेरी के अंदर ऐसे भी लिख सकते थे क्या? सिलेक्ट सैलरी फ्रॉम टेबल टेबल T2 where T2 dot department equals to T1 dot department where salary not equals to max salary order by salary
पेयर के साथ तुम मैक्स
limit
कैसे
1।
लगा रहे हो यार? कितनी बार बोलूं मैं ये चीज तुम सबको? वेयर में एग्रीगेट फंक्शन कब से आने लग गए? वेयर रोज पे फिल्टर करता है, ग्रुप्स पे नहीं करता। क्यों ईशा?
हाँ भैया
भैया
वहां
आप
पे फिर
वेयर की
एक और नेस्ट करना
बात
पड़ेगा।
एक और नेस्ट करो, वो तुम्हारी इच्छा है, फिर उसके अंदर भी सब क्वेरी लिखो।
भैया
तुम
हमने एम्प्लॉय
एक- हाँ,
वहाँ पे हमने सिलेक्ट एम्प्लॉय किया है ना, तो वो वेयर वन मतलब एम्प्लॉय का नाम आएगा और हम जो सब क्वेरी से निकाल रहे हैं वो तो सैलरी है।
कहाँ पे?
वेयर के बाद 1 लिखा है ना आपने?
हाँ, तो मैं तो यहाँ से एम्प्लॉय सिलेक्ट करता हूँ ना, यहाँ से थोड़ी करता हूँ।
हाँ तो एम्प्लॉय इज इक्वल टू सैलरी।
नहीं, वेयर 1 इज इक्वल टू काउंट।
ओके।
क्वेरी समझो. What this query is doing is, let's take A, B, C, D, E, F. Let's say A has a salary 1,000. B, let's say A has a salary, let's say 5. B has a 5. C has 4. D has 3. D also has 4, let's say. E has 3. F has 2. Clear, everyone?
हाँ भैया।
So for A, what will happen is, it will say, okay, count distinct T2 dot salary. We will count this later. First, what will run? Where, right? So the filter will be what? It will say department. मान लो इन सबका सेम डिपार्टमेंट है. डिपार्टमेंट वाला पॉइंट तो समझ गए ना, वो तो समझाने की जरूरत नहीं है ना.
हाँ वो तो समझ।
है ना कि फिल्टर होके सेम डिपार्टमेंट के हो जाएंगे सारे.
यस
Yes or no?
भैया।
Any
हाँ
doubts in that, anyone?
No, sir.
That is clear, right? So all these are from same department, IT, right? Already filtered data. Okay, this data is already filtered. Department is same, and we are working on A. Their department is IT. So for IT department, we are saying for A, how many people have a salary greater than A? How many? 0.
हाँ 0।
Count distinct T2 dot salary is 0. Is 1 equal to 0?
No.
No.
नो।
So this will not go in your pass filter. This row will not be this row will not print. Then next time for B it will run. It will say B5. Again is it greater?
नो भैया 0।
0. This will not be printed because filter failed. Then it will go to C. It
समझ
will say
गया।
for 4, is it greater? How many are greater? 2 are greater,
Zero.
yes or no? For 4, 2 are greater, yes or no?
हाँ भैया।
But
Yes,
we need distinct salary. Both are same, therefore 1 is great.
यस भैया।
And hence this is second highest. It will be printed. For
Got
D,
it.
how many are greater? 2 are great, but distinct is 1. Therefore 1 equal to 1. This will be printed. C and D will be printed. This will have 2 salaries greater. Count will be 2. Where 1 is not equal to 2, not be printed. This will be
3 not equal to 2.
not equal to 1.
1.
Right?
हाँ भैया।
भैया लेकिन यहाँ पे 1 क्यों लिखे? 1 इक्वल टू क्यों लिखे?
क्योंकि A की सैलरी बड़ी हो सकती है ना सेकंड हाईएस्ट के लिए.
अच्छा हाँ.
सेकंड हाईएस्ट चाहिए था।
If I am interested in third highest,
तो 2 लिखते हैं यहाँ पे. 2 इक्वल टू.
तो
then I
टोली।
will put 2. There.
समझ गया।
हाँ भैया.
Any doubts?
No भैया.
All right, that's the N2 SQL. Views and indexes are left. I'll explain in the practice session. Maybe tomorrow or on Monday.
भाई ये तो कहीं पे भी नहीं पढ़ाते हैं।
पता है मेरे को. सब फ्रॉड बाजी. लिख लो, ये कोड लिख लो, काम आएगा. हाँ बोलो.
नहीं कुछ नहीं, ठीक है ठीक.
बोलो.
वो कंफ्यूज हो गई थी बस.
डाउट्स है किसी को?
नहीं भैया, बस सबको हजम करना पड़ेगा सबको बैठ कर.
हाँ
बहुत ज्यादा सीक्वल पढ़ ली ना, इतनी मैंने पढ़ी.
ये वही
ज्यादा हो गई.
बहुत ज्यादा ही पढ़ा दी है. कोई नहीं.
आप भी बहुत डेडिकेटेडली पढ़ाते रहते हो मुझे।
मेरा क्या है, मैं तो पढ़ाता रहूंगा. मेरे को बस ये है कि तुम कर लो, कर लेना. मंडे को, चलो मंडे को ही करते हैं प्रैक्टिस सेशन. ट्यूसडे से एमएल स्टार्ट कर देंगे.
यस भैया।
Practice everything on the test platform. Weekly test and 8 and 9 will be launched next week. All both will be of equal.
भैया 7 वाले में सीक्वल है क्या? वीकली टेस्ट 7 में.
8 9 7 देके खत्म करो बोल तो.
उसमें सीक्वल आ रहा है भैया?
हाँ
7
भैया।
नहीं है 7 में सीक्वल नहीं है.
नहीं.
8 और 9 में.
ओके भैया.
गॉट इट।
करो, अब सब पढ़ा दिए मैंने तो यार अपनी साइड से.
हाँ अब तो प्रैक्टिस ही है भैया।
प्रैक्टिस
हाँ
करो.
भैया, अब करता हूँ वापस से अच्छे से.
और सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं प्लेटफॉर्म पे गाइस. मेक श्योर यू डू ऑल दी क्वेश्चंस. ओके, एक सेकंड में बता देता हूँ तुम्हें. ये ना हो कि बाद में मेरे को रिकॉर्डिंग के बाद में देख के बोले हमें पता नहीं. प्रैक्टिस ऑल दी शीट्स. पीपल हु वॉच रिकॉर्डिंग, Practice all the list of SQL questions. You need to practice these hacker rank questions. They will hardly take 5 minutes per question. And you need to also practice this lead code 50 plan. You can do the interview bit later. That is up to you. Lead code, you need to solve all the top 50 SQL questions. You need to SQL, so we have already done. If not done, you do it yourself. But we have covered it in the class apart from one. That is, I think, self-join. Null wala, you can do it. You may not do it. It is up to you. And you can read all the things on the platform, all the theory. You can also read views and indexes. However, I will cover it in the next class in first 15 minutes.
Got it, bhaiya.
Everything is covered over here. Also solve extra window functions. This is very important for window functions practice. Whenever you are solving questions, please think from a perspective that from how many different ways can I solve this question? Not many questions you need to think it, to be very honest. Only complex questions like these is where you need to spend more time and think if you can solve it from subqueries, if you can solve it using joins, if you can solve it using combination of joins and subqueries, if you can solve it using window functions, and that is how you will get better in SQL. Am I clear? From my point
Yes,
of view,
bhaiya, clear.
as much as I can in SQL in this stipulated time period. This was not even planned, guys, to be very honest. In your course curriculum, there is no CTs, there is no triggers, no nothing. Yet I've gone overboarded and taught you all these things, right? So please do not let my energy and my mehnat go in waste by not getting good in SQL.
Yes, भैया.
करेंगे वे अपने.
All right, guys. Any doubts? किसी को कुछ बोलना है? ये तो जाओ, क्लिक करो, पढ़ाई करो.
बाय भैया.
Bye bye.
हेलो भैया.
हाँ बता रहे शफ. तो रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ कर दूं.